Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. Hey, what's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Hey, Plum Trader, you know what's funny about that? You said that you get ads for e-foils. I never do, but my wife gets them all the time. She says she's sick and tired of getting these ads. I don't get one of them. They haven't sent me one ad. I've never got an ad for one. Oh, man. So here in just a few moments, we're going to get the Nikkei opening up. So Nikkei was up pretty strong last night, up 2,000 points. We have the Kospi was up 231 points. Both of those are about to open here at 8 o'clock. So I think it's pretty funny. So let's see. Let's see. Hey, Mike, what's up? Let's see. Do they run it up, run it down? We shall see. I will say, though, we accurately called it today on the NASDAQ. I said once we already broke this level, that we were going to close above the 1-day max, which we did. I said that live on stream this morning. I got it clipped. I'm going to turn it into a video. You guys that weren't on the stream will get a chance to see, how I called it in real time, what we're looking at, the probability that was going to happen, all that fun stuff. So I'm actively working on that video as we speak. If you look over here on the, where's it at? Look over here on the 4-hour chart. We still have this point of control up here, 29,677. We look over here from the daily profile, and I like this area right here. Look, we dipped right into it, right into our minus development area. Can we reject out? 335 will be the target. 335 will be target numero uno. All right, so I like that for a target. We breached out, looking back for the highs from today. On the ES, we hit that. Oh, we didn't hit value area low yet. We did not get it yet. So we'll see if we get up there. We do have point of control at 75.46. Not enough meat on that trade right there. I want to see higher. So on the ES, if I'm gonna play the ES, I want to try to target minimum 75.60 on that tonight. Hey, Benjamin, what's up? Let's go look at the Nikkei real quick. All right, Nikkei is gapping up here a little bit, about 217 points. Kospi's not open yet. Is the Kospi going to be closed? Because Nikkei is already open. Let's go see real quick. Okay. Oh no, here's the Kospi. I just seen a tick up here. The Kospi's up 304 points. Wow. So nice little move up on the Kospi. Nikkei is trying to push up. We had a little spike over here on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, quick little wick up, and then bam, right back down. You see right there the wick, right to the upper regression channel. Oh, just ain't right. You were on here? Oh, man. It went poof, up in smoke right before, but he did pretty good today. He got some new accounts today. And hey, Jesse, how much were you up on those accounts today? Hold on, let me see if I can. Was that a text message you sent? I can't remember. Or was it an email? I got a lot of text messages today. Yeah, it looks like he did about 2,100 today. Unless he traded after that. Hey, Jesse, was that your total today? About 2,100 per account? Let's watch that 335. 335 becoming target. 29,335 on the NASDAQ. We've already dipped into the minus development area right there. Now it's time to push up to 335. Let's see if we get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Can they get it? Let's see if we're going to push it. They're trying. They's a trying. Hey, Leo, what's up? What's up? Good evening. So I want to see if we push up there. So far, the high tonight, 319. So we've almost made it to that point of control. Target one for the night's almost been hit. Over 3K. Oh man, nice. Oh, we do have the ES on the move up. About to hit that point of control right there. I still like the ES. ES target is 75.60 for me. Hey, Roach, what's up? Now we are at the third deviation band, so we gotta be careful with that. So they're just ripping it up though. Rug pull it back down. Last night we didn't get a touch of a view app until this morning on the NASDAQ. And look, we're working on bar number 9 right here on the 1 minute. At least on the NASDAQ. What about ES? I don't have an active count on the ES right now. Let's see if we do get that 9 count. And if you do look, we are above the third deviation band, so you gotta be careful here. We are susceptible to a pullback. So hey Tom, what's up? Hello, Nightbot. AJ Loves, what's up? The 335, can we get it? Can we get it? All we need is about another 13 points. Yes, up there at that third deviation band as well. There's that 9 count. We got the 9 count up there too. Oh boy, can we push past it? At least a little bit past it. Let's go. Hit that point of control, then we'll see if we want to keep going higher or if we reject and go back down. But I like how we turned right off that minus development area. That was pretty good. Come on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, I'm in the micros right now from before stream. I was in a little bit late. Trying to get that 335 print. I'm a little bit worried about that 9 count right there, though. We're above that regression channel. I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm a little bit worried about it. We have the 9 count right there, and we have the above the right around the third deviation band. So I'll take it off. I'm fine with that. If it hits 335, that's fine. I left a little bit on the table. But now if we do pull back, if we can get back like this, think maybe I'll take a little swing and start to initiate that position again, since the target has not been taken out. We have not hit 335 yet. So I was a little bit late to the party. The great entry would have been down here as we're first coming off that minus development area with a profile, but I missed it. So let's see what's it gotta be. Oh, what are they doing? They're switching my screens here. All right, don't forget to smash that like button. So 200 likes tonight. We're gonna be doing another Lucid account giveaway. Let's get it. Lucid. Good thing about Lucid is dog, it's gonna get there too. There's no monthly fee. Pay one time and that's it. Apex sale also ends tonight in about what, 4 hours? A little less than 4 hours. Apex is $49 for a 50K account ends. Ah, dang it. We're gonna get that target. See, I should have held it. That 9 count in the bands kind of scared me out, so I'm not upset though. I'm all right with it. We hit 334, missed the target by 1 point. 335 is the actual target. So that's all right though. That's okay. Still made money on it, so that's all that matters. You're gonna wait till 9:30. So we got happening at 200 EMA. No, the Apex sale. Well, Apex does have a sale 90% off for the EOD accounts, but the no activation fee for $49 is the intraday trailing drawdown. So it's a really cheap account. And the key with the intraday drawdown, just don't go for big runners. You know, Don't let the market swing like this. We missed it by 1 tick. 1 tick away. Dang it, dang it, dang it. And then, yes, we have a target up there about 60. So today on the stream, we talked about this, that untested value area low we did hit. Hey, why do the charts have gaps right here? What's going on with this gap? Man, I don't want to reload that chart either. I reload that chart, it's going to take forever to load. Against my better judgment, F it. Let's see. I'm going to probably regret this. Takes forever for this chart to reload. All right, we're trying to pull back here a little bit. So right now, NASDAQ's the only one in the green. Russell and ES just barely turned red. I just gotta wait till this chart reloads. Hopefully it gets rid of that gap. It's funny because these charts have a big gap in it too. I didn't know what that was all about. Kind of weird. So hopefully it fixes it. Are you guys seeing a gap in your chart tonight? Real big like that, like I had over there. It was a high. I can't see. Let's see, did we hit 335? We did. We hit 335.75. So we went above it by 3 ticks. NASDAQ's trying to go back up now. I know you can't see it here, but we go look over here on the trading view. Oh, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's up 1,000 points. Wow. Kazi's up 369. I see NASDAQ trying to go. Doop, 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 doop. Let's see. Still loading. Wow, price action. That's not too bad. What's the range so far tonight? 80 something points, it looks like. And on the ES, we only have 8.75 point range. That's not much. I just gotta hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. $200 EMA on the 60 minute is at 29,342. Hey, Mike, you're saying it's above us? 1 point from target. Oh boy. NASDAQ's trying to go back up. You can't see it here, but right here, NASDAQ's trying to go back up. That stinks. You redo all your charts. That's quite time consuming. But still waiting for the ES to reload. So what if we get a little bit more fall through? We see the ES finally work its way towards that 78.60. Oh, all right, we just came back online. All right, got rid of that gap. All right, so I'm glad I reset it. Got rid of that gap. So we came up, made a new session high. Now, over here this morning, we talked about this as well. I think we talked about this last night also, but we had this little A to B equals C to D pattern. Target on that's at 486. So we still have a target above us at 486. And on the ES, we still have not hit 75.60 yet. We have a little double bottom too. Bottom one. Dang it. We have a gap on this chart too. All right, let's see. This one won't take as long as the NASDAQ. Still take a little bit. Not as long as Mr. NQ. NASDAQ just takes forever. $7.2 low is above us. Well, if we look over here, I don't know if it's going to populate, but today we called it. I said, once we got above this area, I thought we are going to come up around that call resistance. That's exactly where we came up to. All right. So over here on the ES, bottom one, bottom two, if we go ahead and we map that out, where's that target complete at? All right, this will be a rough estimate. That target completes all the way up here at 76.29. I'm not saying we're going to get there tomorrow, but that is a logical target. In the meantime, though, we have a target at 75.60 and 75.90. And then 76.18, then 76.29. Will be the levels to the upside I'm watching. Yeah, we have the P point way down here on the ES. On the NASDAQ, P point's down there quite a ways as well. Oh, man, good job on that one, Bob. Give it up. 312. Hey, Chris, what's up? Good evening. Don't forget, guys and gals, to smash that lucky like button. Should have held that micro trade a little bit longer. You know, it did come back and hit the target we're looking for at 335. But given that we're up there in the bands and we had that 9 count, I figured it'd be better to err on the side of caution, exit. So should have watched the news. Hey, what news was that, Plum Trader? Yeah, I seen the headline come through. Oh, you know what? Oil is moving. Let's go look at oil real quick. Hey, Spaces, good evening. Yeah, oil's up 39. Not quite up here the high. Look, we had that double top pattern this morning we called out. We never made it down there. It could still be in play, but it looks like it's probably going to end up being a failed pattern. Oh, you didn't say the news? Hold on. Oh, somebody else did. Hey, I didn't see the little black, whatever you call it, the little icon thing next to the comment. On this screen, it was hard to see. It's like not there. I thought it was all in your comment, Plum Trader. So I didn't see it. VIX today was down 8.69%. Let's go look at yields. Yields were up earlier. Yeah, yields closed near session highs. It's not good. Yields going up is not good for the markets. UK is trying to pull back a little bit. Osby's still up there pretty good. Tomorrow after the bell, we have, was it Tesla? Let's see. Yeah, we have Tesla, Alphabet, ServiceNow, IBM, Texas Instrument. So tomorrow after the bell could be quite spicy. Could be a fun one. See NASDAQ trying to pull back here. ES trying to pull back as well. Hold on, I gotta put some AirPods in for a minute. I can't wait for it to. Let me just mute this. I don't know. Oh, hey, Hey, Jesse, that's pretty funny. Jesse sent me a video. Oh, man, that's good stuff. Oh, that's funny, Jesse. That's good stuff. Oh, man. Oh, man. I got to turn the AC down here. Jesse's wife recorded him last night when he was getting smoked. It's not funny that he was getting smoked. It's just funny. Listen to him talk to the computer, we'll say. He wasn't telling the NASDAQ how nice the NASDAQ was. Oh, that was after you already calmed down. Oh, man, that's good stuff. I said I really wish back in 08 when I got my butt kicked, I wish there was like a video camera following me around just to go through the carnage. It was pretty funny. I mean, it wasn't funny then, but after the fact, now it's pretty funny. I can laugh at it, but it was pretty bad back then. All right, we're pulling back here a little bit. We do have the VWAP at 292. And one of the reasons I got out of that one trade was simply because we're up here by these bands. I was a little bit nervous and we had the 9 count. So instead of pushing all the way to 335 to target, I exited somewhere up here. I got scared out. Let's see if we get a retracement down the VWAP. If we do, I may be willing to engage long. If we pass 413, you think we're going 30,000? We may. And it's funny, everybody I talk to, I can't believe this effing market. What is going on with the market? It has no reason to go up, and that's exactly why it's going up. Because everybody thinks it should go down. So people are trying to position to the downside. The market's like, nah, not so quick. Bam, give me that money. So. And we still have a valid target over here on the ES too. I really like this target. This could be an overnight trade target, 75.60. I like that a lot. So we'll see if we can make it up there. So I really would like to see a pull back towards VWAP before trying to get long for the moves. ES did come back down, actually hit VWAP after being extended. So ES was up here, hit the third band roughly, came back to the VWAP, now trying to move back up. We'll see if it's going to start working its way towards that 75.60. Again, I don't know if we get there tonight while we're on stream, but maybe tonight during London or even later. So crude oil is only up 29 cents tonight. And that's with the U.S. attacking on the attack as we speak. Just at 8:08, Iran semi-official FARS says authorities report U.S. airstrikes on military site near Tabriz. Tornado watch. Oh boy. All right, let's see. Can they rip it? Rip, rip, rip. So ES 75.60, NASDAQ. Next target is 486. Question is though, do we maybe get a pullback first? We maybe pull back and form an ABC pattern to take us up towards, this target and maybe even that point of control. That I don't know. We had a little pause candle right here, a little doji candle right there. Then we ripped up, small little down candle here. ATF, good evening. So we'll see. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Push it. I'll just see a big, nasty rip up. Hey, Trader 007, what's up? Can they rip it on up? Can they do it? All right back to opening price. This line right here is opening price. And look what we have starting to form over here. Here's a high, lower high. We break that low. We have a little ABC pattern to the downside. Which, let's see if that takes us near the VWAP. VWAP right now is at 294. This pattern completion is at 96. So, look, 294, pattern completes at 96. Let's see if we can get down there. We did break that swing point. So the pattern is valid. We did break right here, right below that swing point. We go back up now and we break above 328, 328 and a half. It'll end up being a failed pattern. So let's see if we can get down there. Yes, right now, slightly below the view app. Not much. Tick or two. Yeah, not financial advice. Let's see how we're going to get there. 296. Let's get it. That'll get us down near that view app too. Come on, just get down there. I want to start a micro position again. So down around here, I'm going to probably start with one micro so I have plenty of room to DCA into this. Because one of my fears I have out here today is the fact that we get a much meaningful correction down towards that P point. And that goes for the ES and for the NASDAQ. So you gotta be careful. If it rips without me, it is what it is. Wasn't meant to be. Yeah, no. So the accounts I give away, it's an eval. If you pass it, it then turns into a funded account. So it's just like if you were to buy an account from Lucid, you have to pass the eval and then it turns into a funded account. An already funded account, that would be beast there. That'd be nice if I can get them to give me away those accounts. Give me those accounts to give away. Be a baller. Yes, just trying to turn off this view app a little bit. And we're at the lower regression channel too. Hey, Kevin, good evening. Man, I feel like I want to smack this, but not yet. I'm going to wait. Well, let's see if we're going to complete that pattern on the NASDAQ. Pattern completes at 296. We have the VWAP down there at 294. Ooh, we basically hit it. Did we get it? Yeah, we got it. We got that target. ABC target is completed. All right, right here at the VWAP. So NASDAQ did hit the VWAP, and again, I was justified to be concerned right up here. 9 count, upper channel, up here in these bands. We're now at the VWAP. Do we bounce here? We might. I'm going to start a small position. We got 1 micro in right there. I'm gonna DCA into it as it pulls back. I only started one, so I got plenty of room to add to it. And this might be my overnight trade where I try to target 486. Oh, hey, Jesse. So the minimum 38%, the maximum 78.6. So 38.2. Now, if it's off by a couple ticks, that's fine, but I want it generally in that area. Minimum 38%, maximum 78.6. So let me go ahead and get rid of this off the charts. Get rid of all these drawings. Bam. I'll see if they can rip it. Rip it. If I only get one contract on, I'll probably go right there. If I get multiples on, I'm probably gonna take a little bit more heat. Let's see how this is gonna pan out. And at some point tonight, we'll probably hear about the CENTCOM has concluded airstrikes. All four indices are in the red. Gold's up a little bit. I want to go look at gold real quick. Mr. GC, what are you doing? GC's had a pretty nice little rip tonight. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. SEC's at the wheel. Asleep at the wheel. All right, they're screwed off. Cruel starts blasting off. That's going to be a problem. Yeah, tomorrow we have some big earnings coming out. Yeah, good look out, Jay Loves. Smash that like button. Again, 200 likes. We get to the Lucid account giveaway tonight. You guys got this. We already had over 400 people through the stream, so if only half the people smash that like button, we'd already be there. So again, I think I'm going to try to target. I think with this micro, I really want to try to target that 486. And again, I don't think we're going to necessarily get there while we're on stream. So I'll lead it and let it ride while I'm sleeping tonight. And may even stage some other orders down lower. If I do stage the other orders, it'll probably be down here towards value low or that P point. Then below that, kind of in here, which I don't know if I want to see it quite retrace that far. We're talking that's a pretty healthy pullback. I don't know if I want to see that deep of a pullback, but I really like to see it just keep on going. Just pew on up, but it's probably not going to be the case. The market's got to climb the wall of worry. Yeah, I'll leave it on overnight, Leo. I deem this kind of an overnight trade for me. Now, if it starts ripping up and we get a fast rip up and we get 3/4 of the way there, I'll probably just take it off. Go ahead and take the risk off. No sense of keeping the risk on and worrying about it while I'm sleeping. So not that I'd be worried about the micro, but just one last thing to have to worry about. Speaking of Bitcoin, how's MSTR been doing? Has MSTR found the bottom? Look, that joker is way up here at 544, and now it's at, after hours, 102. Oh, NASDAQ's coming down here a little bit. Checking to see if oil's moving. Not really moving. I see. Look, we're below the regression channel. Can we get a trade detector bubble down here? Can we get oversold? I may take a little counter trend, pop back the other way. I might do it anyways. Look for a little scalp, maybe. Hopefully it doesn't scalp me. That kind of stinks. So look, we had the delta divergence, but I was looking for something else. Here's a delta divergence as price was still making new lows. I was hoping we'd either get oversold in the short term, meaning the green background. For those of you new, we haven't had none tonight. None. Like that. Background will turn green like that. We've had none tonight. Yeah, white boy, good evening. Hey, so we wicked down to the first band on the NASDAQ. The ES wicked the second band. Yes, that's probably the play. Do I dare? There's 74.80. I could. We'll see. Just went along the NASDAQ. I think it's gonna probably get me. Let's see. See if we can pop up here a little bit. Should have got in way down here. Yeah, sleep's overrated. Got plenty of time to sleep when you're dead. South Korea looks to be getting worse. Oh boy, let's go check that out. Let's see. Can we pop back up here? I was thinking the EMAs are going to cross bullish up here. Kind of front ran that. They did not. Almost stopped me out, actually. Come on. Just push it. Up. All right. I'm out. Let's go see South Korea. Let's see Korea. Yeah, Kospi's still hanging out up here. DK is up 1100. I'll give this another shot. Didn't expect to see me here tonight. Hey, Frank, I've been on here at night the last, I don't know. Yeah, I agree. SK bubble pops, it's going to be done, done, and done. They're going to come get me. Coming to get me. ES is back down that second band. NASDAQ's only at the first deviation band. ES is down by the second. I should wait till we went a little bit lower. I should wait till NASDAQ got to a second band. Favorite session and trade? Yeah, I like the nights too. It's actually helped me out. I ended up trading more. So it's been added to my P&L. Usually at night, I just take a couple trades. I'm done. But being on stream, the longer I look at the markets, talking about it, the more trades I'm going to take. Hopefully, the more money I'll make, but not always. I'll dog it. Just go. Just go. Just push it. Just go. Let's see if we can get back to the opening price. Opening price at 310. That's not nice for me yet. Still might get me. We're having a hard time. We got back above the EMAs. EMAs did not flip back bullish, then we whipped right back down. I kind of want to move my target right up here to the opening price. So I might end up moving it if we can start moving in my direction, but oil's only up 23 now. Was up 30 something earlier. Oh, that's not true, Jesse. You don't normally. This last night they got you. They got you on trade number 3. First 2 you're kicking their butt. You gave them time to regroup and study you. Like, oh, we know how this American's getting us. Let's team up. And then they got you. They got you in a big way. Those jokers were not playing last night. Just kept going and going and going and going and going. Oh boy, Roger's scaring me. Roger's trying to scare me out of my trade. Let's get it. Keep it pushing. I like hearing the chirping. Yes, has some wicks. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Hey, yes, has some wicks off that. Oh, what did I do? Off the second deviation band. Let's see if we can push back above the VWAP. Can we get a little push? Yeah. Huh. You just gonna come back down or what? Let's go look real quick. All right, Nikkei's still up there. I must be trying to roll a little bit. We have the HSI gonna open up here at 9:30, so about 50 minutes away. Kind of feel like I should have took my profit when I was up over 200. I don't know. We'll look at gold on the daily here in a minute. Let me get out of this trade. No. I'm not only trading prop firms. I primarily trade my account. Prop firms are just icing on the cake. Come on. Push it. Go, go, go. I'm getting nervous. I'm just getting out because I had the trade before that was a loss. So if I lose again, I'll be down somewhere around $400 on the 2 trades. I can get that one out. Then I'm back at equity highs in the account. So and I still have the micro trade on. I did not add to it. So I still got the 1 M&Q on right here, down $5. It's kind of my overnight trade for tonight. I'm going to try to ride it out all the way to 486. Even if that means I hold it while I go to bed tonight, that's fine. Let's go look at gold. GC, what's it doing? All right. On the daily chart, what do we got? I still think it might want to go down that high volume node. 38.20-ish. Then below that, 35.80. And then the high volume node below that, 35.40. 41. It's not there yet. Now I am kind of curious with gold. Let me go look at this. GC. I don't know why all my charts are gapping here. Can't see it on that chart. Let's do this. 4 hour. I don't know. 4 hour. If you look at the MACD, it looks like we could still rally up here a little bit. Probably come back up and trade into this minus development area. And maybe even try to come back towards 43.94. So MACD does look like it wants to firm up here a little bit at the moment. NASDAQ trying to head back down. Oh, you should have called me, Bob. Yeah, remember, I got squirrels running around my head. You should have called me. You got my number. I had a lot going on today, though. But I could have made time. All right, look, we're trying to come back down here. Look, we came right back up near the middle regression channel and smack. I see the market just. Ding. Hey, Coach Fred, what's up? Oil's back up 34. Central Command completes 11th straight night of strikes on Iran. All right. So now we're done with that, supposedly. Now it's Iran's turn. Yeah, I've done very good in gold over the years. I've had more good trades in gold than bad. I've had a few losers too. Not nearly as much as crude oil. Crude oil has got me pretty good a couple times. NASDAQ's got me pretty good a couple times too. I've never traded silver. Never, ever, ever. If I have, maybe in a sim account a couple times, but I don't even think I've done that. If I did, I guarantee it's less than 5 times. In sim. Never done it live. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. 200 likes, we're going to be doing that Lucid account giveaway. Time's right now, 8:45. Oh, we got plenty of time still. Yeah, I remember talking about 38.50. I remember talking about 38.20-ish on gold, which I still like that level, but we might bounce in the short term. Playing off this high volume node right here, right around 320, 38.20-ish. And then 35.80, we have an ABC pattern down, which is still in play. So we might bounce up here a little bit first. Look at the 4-hour chart. It does look like we want to bounce a little bit towards this low volume area. All right, we's coming back down. Where's the low of the day on the NASDAQ? Coming close to it right there. Hey, we're coming up on the second deviation band. So if we can get below the second deviation band, every time we get a fast push through the low, I'm going to look for a little counter trend, 5-point pops. Hey, that's what mine shows, Bob. That's what mine shows. Seeing micros like crack rock. Oh boy. Hey, there is a big difference though. Micros won't get you put in jail. The other one may. Let's do it. If we look at the ES is down there pretty decent. So ES already passed the second deviation band, working towards the third. Yeah, I've already got my 1 micro on the NASDAQ. I will be looking to add. This will be for my overnight trade. Could I make a new low? Yeah, probably will. Start making a new low. I'm probably going to buy it for a little 5-point scalp. I like how we're starting to set up divergence before we get to the low, though. So let's see if they can push it real good. Oil's up 32 cents. Yeah. Well, if I'm going to go for an extreme counter trend, I don't want to go for too much. Usually you just get a little pop and then it goes down, pop. So I don't want to fight it too much. All right, come on. We got a little bit more. 253 is the low. Come on. You can't get down there, you little beep. So ES hit the 3rd deviation band. NASDAQ hit the 2nd. Right there, 3rd deviation band on the ES. Interesting. That's why you end up pulling the bag. Hey, so if I'm going like in the direction of where I think the market's going, then I'll tend to go for a little bit larger trades. But if, you know, I see the market cratering down, but I see a little pocket I can get money, I think I can anyways. Doesn't mean I will, but I'll go for a much smaller target to increase the probabilities I get hit. So NASDAQ hit that 2nd deviation band. Way worse than the movie. I gotta check out that documentary. That movie is. I like that trade detector bubble right there. Can we hold above it? I was trying to get in. If we can hold above that bubble, we might push up here a little bit more. Try to get long, didn't want to film me, so. So I got the low of the day. What really makes me nervous, we have the low of the day right below us. Not really a fan of that. I like the fact that we hit the 2nd deviation band. I'm a little bit fearful we might come down and actually swipe that low. Yeah, Cosby was up pretty good. Or at least it was. Cosby's up 354, so it's pulled back a little bit. A little bit. Nikkei's up 1,100 points. Nikkei is pretty strong tonight. So. 4-hour BB is touching upper band. That's not good either for a long. Man, so bad I want to smack it. But I'm like, I'm looking at the low down there. I'm like, if I want to step in yet. Not yet. Calm down, grasshopper. Yeah, market makers fishing for retail? Probably. Maybe we should do a poll. We're going to do a poll real quick. Start. Let's see what y'all think. All right, will the ES and NASDAQ close red or green tomorrow or mixed? Mixed means one will be up, one will be down. Raj sent me an email. Let's see. Oh, GC, right? Hey, gold likes to retrace 50% too, Raj. Gold loves the 50% retracement. Loves it. Let's go. Here's Raj's chart. He just sent. Well, right here you can see the 50% level. That's the gold contract. We have a lot of zones down here, it looks like. Hey, Raj, what's all these green lines you have marked off? Green zones. What is all that on the chart? FEGs? If we get a peace agreement, oh boy, you better watch out. Yeah, we have FOMC next week. Uncle Wash, Task Force Wash. Actually, the more I listen to him, he's grown on me. I'm so used to listening to Powell that I don't know. When I first heard Wash, I was like, but I actually don't mind him. The more I listen to him, he's grown on me. Lines with the moon phase. Oh boy, I can't trade off the moon phases. I know people do it. I can't do it. Well, I'll see if we're going to break this low. All right. Low's right down here. Can we sweep the low real quick and then rip? If we do, I want to be all over it. If not, sit on my hands. All right. I don't have to trade. I don't have to be in a trade, should I say. Especially since I already got a little bit of entertainment value in that M&Q I'm in. You don't like Washington's task force? I like the answers he was giving back to Congress. So. I don't know if there was one last month. It wasn't too long ago. I mean, my days just kind of blur together now. But next Wednesday, yeah, we can go see when the last one was. Yeah, last one was June 17th. Yep, June 17th, and now we have one on the 29th. So. Yeah, I saw it, Jesse. Yeah, you don't have to pass that TPT account in 2 days. Yeah, TPT is going to take you at least 5 days. I actually don't mind it. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I don't mind it. You know, if you're going on tilt, it forces you to slow down. I actually think it's good. Trump approves historic nuclear agreement with Saudi Arabia. Goalie washers. Hey, what part of Tennessee are you at? In the middle beginning of August. Hey, Raj, I'll put that poll up here in a minute. Give me a few minutes in this poll, and I'll put it up there. Dog, I'm waiting to see if we're going to sweep the low so I can get long. Oh, Central Tennessee. All right. I'll be up in Tennessee later this year. Hey, oil's on the little bit of a rise, not much, a little bit. Go look at good old Earl. I still only got one micro on the M&Q. Oil's trying to move up here a little bit. Nikkei only up 1,077. Cosby up 352. I won M&Q down $33 on it. So, but what I really want, what I'm hoping for my overnight trade, can we run the 486? I'll probably front run that area. I don't have my target in yet, just in case we get some crazy announcement. Hey, we got a peace deal on the table. So, just in case. There it goes, screaming up through there. I don't want to have my target in place. Before I go to bed tonight, probably before we get off stream, I'll go ahead and set my target. Come on, don't go up without me. $2 a.m. Oh man. Hey DJ, where you at? Where you located? Oh, Canary Islands, nice. I'm in at 295 on the MNQ. TBT eval 52,300 on the day. Nice. Day 2. Hey, you're almost there. So you got 3 more days to make what, $700? That's not bad. Yeah, Tris. Usually at night the market's a little bit slower, so we gotta be patient, more patient with the moves. Big wave, sir. Yeah, hey, how's the sharks there? That's my first question always. Let's go look. Yes, over 85 species of sharks in rays. Oh boy. All right, shark attacks. Let's see how shark attacks are. Oh, extremely rare, but a few incidents have occurred in recent years. Most recent, May of 2026. Bitten on the foot by a camouflage angel shark. Huh. Ugh, I should have read this. July of 2025, a hydrofoil surfer was attacked by a suspected 8-foot mako 2 miles off the coast while swimming beside her British flag catamaran. Jeez, I don't need to read that stuff. Not what I plan on going out. Once I can figure out how to ride the chop on the e-foil, I'm gonna go offshore with it. So I was like, The other day I got my butt kicked. I didn't have fun. The water got the best of me. Monday? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Monday. It's just a slight breeze at my house. I got out there on the water and it was like 20 miles, 25 miles an hour. And that chop was 1 to 2 feet in the bay. It was nuts. I wasn't prepared for it. I still went out, but it wasn't fun. I'm trying to smack it back down. We still have not taken out the low yet. So Taiwan shares climb over 2%. Oh, Japan finance minister declines to comment on specific forex required. Necessary steps on forex as required. That's nice drop. There goes low of the day. Gosh, I was sleeping on it too. And we came right into being oversold. That's the 5-point trade I would have wanted. Come on, let's go down a little bit more. Should wait for one more quick flush. Probably jumped in this a little bit early. We'll see if they make me pay or they still reward me. Yeah, 240 is New York VWAP. Probably got to get it. Closed it. Thought I was going to reverse the position on me. Let's actually go look at that real quick. NQ. Oh, hey, you said New York VWAP. I got the session VWAP down here around 195. Quite often we'll come all the way back down there and test it. Now 195, what does that look like? 195 is getting down towards probably around 155. I'll start adding to that micro. Is what I'm thinking. Market's getting smacked here a little bit. Oh, hey, oil's on the move back up again. So if you look at crude oil is moving up here a little bit. Crude oil just took out session high. So that double top pattern that we mapped out today on live stream ended up being busted. That's a failed pattern. DK is not really rolling too much. Osby's still hanging out up here. Let's see. Can they push it? I jump back in. We'll see if I regret this. Oh yeah, I'm already red. I'm not trying to get out all the way up here. In case you wonder, I just got my target up there out of the way. Just in case we had a quick spurt. Nikkei and the Cosby give me a little bit of hope that we could rise a little bit more still. Hey, Raj, we did make it out to the third deviation band on the NASDAQ. We hit that third band. Doesn't mean it's going to pay me, but. Yes, it's down there as well. All right, no 15% down yet until I'm out of my trade. Yes, still has some upper targets to hit. The untested value area low and such. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, the ES also smacked that third deviation band. So we'll see if we can start to get a bounce. Wow, crude oil is up 81 now. That's going to be a problem. Don't need crude oil going up more. At least not while I'm long. Wait till I'm short. Once I get a short, crude oil can go up. Remember last night, they kept pushing the market to the upside. That was a big old push we had last night. Hey, good evening. Yeah, most certainly can. Wipe out with a quickness. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget, it's not too late to smash that like button. We're going to be doing a Lucid account giveaway today. We got to get 200 likes. So about 87 more likes. Google earnings tomorrow. Yeah, Google, Tesla, IBM, ServiceNow. Not liking how much we're just hanging down here. Starting to make me a little bit nervous. More time we spend down here, the more likely I think we're going to bust lower. That won't be good for my trade. My stop's not even below the low. Yeah, the bands are tighter than they were last night, probably. We had a little bit more volatility last night. A little more range. I think so. Yeah, I'm going to close it before it gets me. Close it before it gets me. That's 2 losses in a row. Joker got me. Hey, so we did hit that New York session view app you guys were talking about. We got it. And if I look at the liquidity, we have a little bit of liquidity down here on the ES. So 31 down here to about 27, then 75.15. You joker. And I still think this would have stopped me out if I didn't stop myself out. I think that would have got me. Oh, look at the ES too. We had that trade detector bubble down here. Can we get a little bounce? Can they do it? See if the ES can lift off that bubble. Maybe pop the NASDAQ with it. Yeah, hey, that's why it's good to J Loves always use an ATM. That way when you put the trade on, you have a default stop and target. Like by default. Because as soon as you put it on before you get a chance to put the stop in, you just get wrecked. Wrecked. Oh, it's getting cold in here. You stupid Mario. You're trying to get me green to red tonight. I'm about to fight back to get green. Oh boy, oh boy. Really was hoping that ES bubble would get us up there. All right. All right, so I went green to red. That's fun. Not really, but we got a fight on our hands. It's a fight. It's a fight. Crude oil is pulling back here a little bit. The crude oil is off the high right now. Not much, but a little bit. Dollar's pulling back a bit. This Joker stopped me out. At night on the ES, it's at 50. On the NASDAQ, it's set to 40. I might have to lower it on the NASDAQ to like 35. I haven't been getting a whole lot. I gotta go for one. Ooh, almost got me. We get one more shot. Come on, push it. Push it. Maybe. Third time might be a strikeout. It does happen. Hey, Carlos, what's up? Good evening and welcome. Yeah, this market's moving slow too. I hate being down when the market's moving slow because it takes forever. I feel like the opportunities to get it back are limited, which that's never fun. Never fun. I still haven't added to my M&Q. It's down roughly $100 right now too. That's my overnight trade. We need to come down a little bit more for me to add, which I don't want to come down right now. That could be a bear flag. Hopefully not. I like where we're at down here in these bands for the trade, even if it doesn't work out. Wait on the ES to move. Yeah, ES is definitely a little bit slower. I like the trade detector bubble down here on the ES, but you know, we're not really pushing up. Oil's back up 84 cents. Well, it's gonna be a reverse of last night. We just keep grinding down. Last night we just grinded up. Well, if tonight we go down, down, down. Things like boxing, always getting punched in the face. Come on, just push it. Push it. Come on. Oh, there goes the ES trying to push. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. You always use code Mike. Yeah, I'd rather hear you not blowing up accounts so you can get that money. Say, Mike, I used your code. Look how much money I made. Hey, John, what's up? Oh, 2 nights in a row, John's hanging out with us. Oh, boy. Hey, John, are you going to talk Bob into streaming the London session for us? So his internet's all good today. Just needs a little peer pressure from you. Little family member peer pressure. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Paul saying popcorn, movies, sleep. Hey, Bob, it's official. Bob is now going to be streaming London. Come on, let's just do it. Let's do it. Push it. I don't like that it's trying to come back down here. We need to rip it. Wow, oil's up 93 now. Oil is definitely making me nervous in this trade. Oil is making me nervous. Oil's right here at session highs. It's not giving me that warm, fuzzy feeling. Hey, Raphael, good evening. No, my MNQ is down $72 right now. I've not added to it yet. Oh, $69 now. So that's my overnight trade. I plan to hold while I sleep. Not every day. I have problems too. We got the Hong Kong Open here in 15 minutes. You know, this will go up there and hit my target. I think it'll put me back at session highs, even with those 3 losing trades in a row. I think it was 2 or 3 trades. Can't remember now. Just need to go get up there. Get up there. Go. Get it. Quit being scared. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, will the ES and NASDAQ be green tomorrow, red tomorrow, or mixed? 1 up, 1 down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. I probably should have took it. I like that bubble we had down here on the ES. I really like that. We didn't get that down here on the NASDAQ, unfortunately. ES had the bubble down there. I liked it. I like where we were in the bands. If you look at the ES down there, hit the 3rd band off the VWAP. You look on the NASDAQ, almost hit the 3rd band. So here's the NASDAQ, almost got it. Almost got that 3rd band. Your original target 290. Nice. Yeah, we have HSI in here in about 13 minutes. It pops back up here. It takes out this high. I might just close it. We need to come out and say, we might have a peace deal on the way. We're working on a peace deal. We're going to talking about having a peace deal. But in the meantime, we're going to keep striking them. Get that initial little brrr, get me out of my trade. What if my original target would have been hit? You go above 9 EMA. I'm not saying we're going to, but I'd love to hear some type of peace deal about to come out. That'd be great. Yeah, straits are open. Straits are open for all vessels. Israel, everybody. Come one, come all. No tolls, no nothing, guaranteed. Tomorrow, boom. I guess that didn't work out very long. I'm getting scared. I'm closing it. All right, that put me back in the green. I'm off of the session highs. I'm a little bit up from where I was when we started the stream. Those last couple trades did me in. And watch this. Oh, that joker hit my target. No, not yet. I think my target was at 74. Probably watching reruns. I wonder if he does like to watch Apprentice. That would be funny. You walk in on him, you see him watching Apprentice. What are you doing? Oh, I'm watching Apprentice. I should have fired that person. I fired the wrong person. A great trade. You know, I had 3 losers before that. So that one trade made up for probably 2.5 of the losses. Not all 3 of them. So I had the right idea. It was just a little bit early on jumping on those trades. So I had to pay a little bit. And now the question is, are we going to be able to hold up here near the upper regression channel, or do we start coming back down? We can stay up here. We start flattening out the channel. They work on it turning back up. We're using credits to buy 50K eval from TPT. Yeah, you have to pay the 130 fee if you use your credits to buy the account. Even the slab ones. Yeah, I cut the losses small. It just stinks when you have loss. You get one. If I could have just not had the losses and had that one trade, that would have been amazing. Oh yeah, don't forget 200 likes. We do the Lucid account giveaway. So 200 likes. We still got plenty of time on here too. I'm not looking to get off anytime soon. So we've had about 1,200 people through the stream. So if 1/6 of the people click the like button, we would be good. Less than 20%. Yeah, back to demo. Hey, so J-Lo, so it's kind of funny. So at work, when I was struggling, I first learned about Ninja Trader before I even used them to trade with. I just used the playback feature for a while, probably for like 1.5 to 2 years. And I started doing playback every single night. And then I ended up switching over and using Ninja for my main charting platform. And I tried to get my friend at work to do back testing. You got to do it every night. I don't have time. So you got to do it. I don't have time. I got to do this, got to do that. Then he got a little hot streak one time. I'm like, hey, what have you been doing differently? He goes, yeah, I started doing market playback every night. It really does work. Like the more screen time you get, the better off you're going to be. So more screen time equals more reps, more things that you get to see and take in and see how it worked out and what worked, what didn't work. That's the best teacher. Yeah, I kind of want to go long again. Not gonna lie. I want to go long and just bam, smack it. Yeah, market playback's free. Yeah, I got videos on it too, J Loves, if you don't know how to use it. Let me go find it real quick. So you can get a lot of screen time in. Now, I used to, back when I was racing motocross and I was getting into trading, I was like, man, I wish I had a video game that was just like the stock market. They kind of do. And that was market playback, but I didn't know about it back then. Yeah, I'm gonna drop you a link to it. Oh, dang it. Just close out the browser. Copy link. Bam, hey, I just dropped the link. Yeah, I still, the market on close, I got something that halfway works, but not enough to where I feel confident enough to trade on a consistent basis. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the poll. Let's see what you guys think. All right, will the ES and NASDAQ close green or red tomorrow or mixed? 45% said red, 35% said green, and 20% of you said mixed. Meaning one will be up, one will be down. Good thing I didn't go long yet. Good thing I did not go long. Oh, we got smacked. Smacked it. Oh, wow. Look, crude oil is still going up. That's not good. This is a problem. Look at crude oil. Crude oil is taking out session highs. Not good. So, 100%. So, Nikkei still up 1,100. Trying to go back up. Kospi's right there at session highs, and our markets are coming down. All four of our indices are in the red at the moment. Now, let's see who has earnings before the bell. Any big names before the bell tomorrow? Let's see market movers. Moody's expected to move plus or minus 7%. And we got T-Mobile coming out plus or minus 5%. They're trying to smack her. Probably gonna go down and take out the low again. Yeah, oil's up 139 now. Oil keeps rising. That's not good. Oil going up is going to definitely put pressure on this market. We're already seeing that. Be a professional loser. Yeah. You know, none of us want to lose. I don't want to take those 3 losses in a row, but you know, it's better than holding on and just hoping it's going to come back. That doesn't work out. That usually ends in disaster. So. Hey, don't forget, tonight's the last night to take advantage of Apex's $49 50K all-in fee. I think that's the cheapest 50Ks I've ever seen. Disaster week. It's kind of funny how those disasters creep up on us. Like 1 minute everything's good, the next minute, bam. It's like, what happened? What just happened? I don't know. I'm a firm believer in sizing down. Not when I'm doing bad, but just trading smaller gives me a lot more flexibility. You make better decisions when you're not so stressed out. You won't make as much money when you're right, but you won't lose as much when you're wrong. And to me, it's more important not to lose as much. So, about another 5 tonight. Nice. Morning, guys. 2:30 a.m. for London. Oh, man, let's go. Yeah, a trooper. You're less accurate? Oh, that's crazy. I find when I size down, I'm actually more accurate. On the Apex PA, if you get the intraday 50K intraday drawdown, no activation fee. But hey, let's talk about this real quick, just to make sure that if you guys are trying to purchase, you're not purchasing the wrong one. So on Apex, there's 2 hours left. But if you're going to take advantage of the massive deal, all right, you want to select 50K intraday, but then no activation fee. Right here, $49 all in. Use code Mike's way to support the channel, no additional cost to yourself. Yeah, ES is definitely better during the New York session. Do better on gold in Asia. Hey, Patriot, it's funny because I used to trade gold and I traded gold very well I used to like it pre-market to very beginning of the New York session. Then I didn't trade no more after that. I used to trade it every day. Oh, hey, not a problem. You're welcome. And I put out another deal, but that's the cheapest deal I've seen them have. Hey, you can. Hey, Plum Trader. So for the props, all you got to do is get Tradevate. If you pick a Tradevate account, it's web-based and it should work. If not, I know TradingView can work on Mac. So you can link it to where you can trade it off of TradingView, which is a web-based platform, and have it execute inside of Tradevate. I think Tradevate will work on a Mac too, though. Yeah, hey, Patriot. Yeah, I know the open's a little bit earlier, but I used to trade it until the New York Open, until about 10. I didn't trade no more after 10, typically. Yeah, John just said it works just fine on a Mac. You just have to pick the Tradevate connection, not Rhythmic, and you're fine. I don't think the market's moving wild tonight. It's kind of slow. Like, to me, this isn't wild. This is more just an orderly decline. I want to get back to session highs, but we're not at a place where I really want to get in yet. There's Ordeflow chart map. Hey, are you talking about the let me see the actual name they have for it. All right, new lows. Are you talking about the Ordeflow market depth map? Is that what you're referring to? Ordeflow market depth map? Oh yeah, HSI just opened up too. Yikes. HSI is down 265. So look, Nikkei's still up 1100. Kospi's up 382. HSI gap down 282 now. Yeah, you need level 2 data. So the prop firms only provide us with level 1 data. I have level 2 data I pay for in my live account, which I shouldn't because I pay Bookmap data. I pay data everywhere. Oh, you sucker. You're gonna get me. That's what I get for FOMOing in this trade. A little FOMO action. Gotta close it. Close it, save a tick. Maybe. Man, my fade trade is just not working for me tonight. Might be going for a little bit too much on this. Come on, just pop up here. Not working for you either tonight. Yeah, last night was just a grind up. Tonight's just, we popped up. Then, pew. It was funny because I was long the M and Q over here. I got out because the 9 count and we were up in the upper bands. I was like, oh, let's wait for us to pull back the VWAP. We did, and we just kept pulling back. We have not stopped pulling back yet. So we go up hit my target. It'll make up that last losing trade plus a little extra. Yeah, I should take your 135 profit. It's all, hindsight's 2020. It's easy to trade in hindsight. Ah, man, I would have got in right here, got out there. I would have shorted that double top and rode it all the way down. But, when trading on the right edge of the chart, it's a little bit more difficult. A little bit more challenging. They need to make an easy button. That was easy. They need to give it to all of us traders. Easy button for trading props. Just being a bit greedy. Yeah. Come on. We got to get to that 200 EMA right here. I'm a little bit worried about that 200 EMA. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. All right. That made up for that last losing trade plus a few extra dollars. So that's not bad. I'm not quite back at session highs yet. think session high is just over 500. We went green to red today. Green to red, back to green. Let's see if we can get it going green. Keep it going. Keep it going. Go, go, go. I do like where we're out in these bands, especially on the ES too. ES is flirting right here with a third deviation band multiple times. NASDAQ's just kind of hanging around the second deviation band over here. So. Yeah, true bearish phase is brutal, Raj. I learned that back in 08. That was horrible. Horrible. I never knew the market can move down that fast, that far, that fast. I think I just got disconnected from OBS. Just reconnecting. I hope you guys can hear me. Am I still here? Help, help. All right, I'm back. OBS said disconnect, reconnect. Hey, we have 156 likes. So we only need about 44. 44 more. We'll be doing that Lucid account giveaway. Yeah, OBS disconnected me for a minute. Said disconnect, reconnect. I don't know what happened. It's not the OBS. So. Why I started speaking Spanish? Because I started going to Costa Rica. Do you need a good bear market? Yeah, reset things. Yeah, a lot of people are going to get hurt in that bear market. It's a coming. Target for the shorts, 29,100. Let's go look. Let's go looky on the 30-minute volume profile. Where's 100 at? I want to see from, what was today's range? 663? We pull a fib from low to high at 100 is just below the 38% retracement. That's not far-fetched. Hey, and that would be enough to come down. You know, we hit that P point. If we hit that, and then we'll see if we bounce or not. We got the nice rejection earlier off that minus development area right there. Got a little bounce and then pink. So we got the point of control. And now we've been going lower, unfortunately. Yeah, 50% bear market. How'd that close out today? I'm gonna see something real quick. SpaceX closed at 123. After hours at 124. Wow, SpaceX really made it that high today? Wow, SpaceX made it. I was up on my SpaceX for a little bit. Wow, SpaceX been moving. Jeez. Hey, again, nice little pump here on the NASDAQ. Kind of missed it. Right, what does the ES look like? ES trying to pump as well. Oil's up 127. Let's check on oil again. Now, oil's still up here near the highs. But look at Nikkei. Nikkei pushed. Yeah, Nikkei's up 1,200. Kospi's up 389. Sold some Tesla today. Yeah, good look out. Smash that like button. Likey. Leo trades. I don't like to recommend brokers. I know it's not me recommending it, but if I say I use such and such, people will be like, oh, Mike uses it. I don't want to. Back in 08, MF Global was one of the biggest futures brokers out there and ran away with everybody's money. They all got it back years later, but I don't ever want to be in that situation. I'd feel horrible. Really want to go long here. I really want to go long. We get back down these EMAs. I think I'm going to smack it long. Because that could be enough to, one more trade, that could be enough to get me back to session highs. Opening price? Hey, let's go, Raj. Let's go. VWAP's at 283. Looking for a higher low. But we keep on pumping here. Pump, pump, pump it up. Can they get it? Can we do it? Do it, do it. All we need is for oil to come down here a bit. Have oil come down, everything will be a-okay. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Yeah, I hate once I'm down off session highs in a slow market. I just feel like I can't. Not a lot of opportunity to get it back. Probably could have closed out up here and that would have put me back probably at session highs. Or close to it. Can't seem to get above 9 EMA. We should eventually at some point. Let's go look at HSI real quick. HSI is trying to put in some wicks. We'll see if that can start working into the gap. You know, give NASDAQ a little bit life under it as well. Breathe some life into the NQ. Come on, just push it. Push it. A little bit more. All right, a lot more. Push it. Where's all the chirping at? Where is all the chirping at? We don't have any real liquidity until we have a little bit of liquidity at 330. That's 100 points, almost 100 points higher, 80 points higher. Come on. A little bit more. Come on. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to take it. That puts me at session highs now. So even after I had that little bit of losing streak, went green to red, back to session highs. I like it. I like it a lot. At 4K. Nice. Hey, Orlando, good job. It dipped in the freezer. Hey, Jesse, they heard your angry rant. You scared them. Just use code Mike. I appreciate that. That was funny. That video was pretty funny, Jesse. Pretty funny. I think that's worthy of a social media post. Yeah, it was pretty funny, Bob. His wife was secretly videoing him after he got blown up. Oh man, it's pretty good stuff. Look, all we did. Look, the angle of the regression channel is not as steep as it was. We're having a hard time really breaking above that upper regression channel at the moment. We'll see if we can get back above it. Hey, John, you got to get Jesse to send you the video. Friggin' hilarious. Friggin' hilarious. It's good stuff. She didn't capture the good part. Short. It might go back down, break out the lows again. That's fine. I'm out of it, so no worries here on that. In the meantime, just hurry up and wait. Need a higher low. I mean, technically, we could have a little higher low right here. If we don't go back down, take out that low. But Yeah, John, previous VWAP's down there, what, 190? I think it's below that. Look at NQ real quick. Closing VWAP today. Oh, yeah, right around 196-ish. 196-ish. What about on the ES? About 75.30. Oil is really the big problem for us right now. If oil wasn't doing what oil's doing, I think our markets would be not having so much problems at the moment. But it is what it is. They need to push it real good. I'm at session high, so I need to be picky about my trades. So let's see. Hey BK, good evening. Let's see if we can rip on up. I already got part of my overnight trade on. Only got one contract though, thankfully. It is underwater about $79. We're gonna see if it can hit. J Love saying smash that like button. It is. I'm kind of curious. I'm watching oil to see if oil's gonna start coming back down. Jesse's praying for 280. Hey Jesse, you're long? Oh, hey Bob, you gonna get some rest so you can come back for London? Rumor is Bob's gonna stream London. You heard it here first. Oh, there we go. Dog it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Gonna push us a little bit more. See if they can push a little bit. I'm trying to get right back here to this VWAP right there. I'll hit close. Finger is on the close button. With that VWAP, I'm going to close out the trade. Oil's not really coming down either. So I don't know what just spiked us. I'm going to close it. We hit the VWAP. I'm done with that trade. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. ES. I appreciate you. No, hey, Lucid right now, the pro account is 40%. The flex account is 30% off. So the pro account, I think it's pro. Let me go look. Let's go look. Yeah, Lucid Pro is 40% off. The other accounts are 30% off right now. They're trying to pump this up. Hey, remember the ES? We have a target on the ES up here at 75.60. We have not hit yet. Then we break that. We have the untested point of control from last week, 75.90. Value area high, 76.18. And then the double bottom target all the way up here at 76.29. Oh, hold on. I might have that wrong on that target. I do. Hold on. I got that target drawn wrong. Hold on. We got to recalibrate that double bottom target. Oh, no. That's the right target. I dug it. That's the right target. Drew it the wrong way. We'll get it right eventually. Anything worth doing once, worth doing twice. All right, here you go. Right here around 728, 730, somewhere up there. Hey, oil's still hanging out. So we're not going up because of oil. Here's oil right here. We do see HSI trying to work into this gap a little bit. Nikkei up 1200. Cosby is trying to come back up, maybe break the session highs. Yeah, 182 likes so far. Only 18 away. That will ensure that we do that that Lucid account giveaway Lucid, Lucid, Lucid. Get it, get it, get it. Let's go. Hey, Rick, so which version what version of Ninja is that? I know single stock futures were coming. Which version was that? Oh, Rubio said Washington is prepared to engage in negotiations. 8.1.8. Oh, hey, I didn't see that one yet, Rick. I'm on 8.1.7.2. Ah, there's a new one out. Yeah, I gotta check that out. I didn't know that new one was out yet, Rick. I'll have to check that out. We'll see. That's gonna be pretty cool. Margin call? I think I've only seen margin call like once or twice. Wait. 8.1.7. Oh, hey, I don't see it out yet. Hey, Rick, I don't have access to it yet. Ninja launched a Discord today? Did not know that. Interesting. Hey, so that one M&Q I have on is only down 21 at the moment. But yeah, I'm trying to target all the way up here at 486 on that one micro. Into prop shop. Hey, what do you mean by that, Raj? They're thinking about buying prop shop? Or are you saying just starting their own prop firm? Well, I heard rumors of that before. I know they were saying rumors before the Ninja Trader prop came out. I don't know. Purchase existing ones. Yeah, I don't see the Discord. What's that Ninja website? I don't see it. All right, let's go. Pumping on up. So look, we had the right idea playing off these bands. It just took me a couple tries to get it right. Playing off these deviation bands down here. Took a couple times to get it right, but eventually we got it right. Yeah, 14 more likes. Let's get it. Hey, Jesse, you got your 280. Yeah, fade trade worked again. Hey, it worked off the high up here too, Raj. We were up there in the bands up here. And look at that drop all the way from the tippy top to the bottom was about 102 points. That's pretty good. That's nice. Long from 264, 2 micros. Nice. Yeah, my one micro trade is printing right now. It's up. It's making money. Not a whole lot, but I'm up like 18 bucks. 20 bucks. Look, almost right back to opening price. Raj called that down there too. Raj said we're going back to opening price. We're almost there. And crude oil is not really pulling back. That's what has me scratching my head. Cosby's still up there. Nikkei's up there. HSI is trying to come back. Let me look at crude oil. Crude oil's still hanging out near the highs as well. Somebody's lying. Who is lying? Yeah, fine. We'll get our money back. Well, I'm back at session highs now. I'm at new session highs actually. So I'm all right. If that one micro prints, that's going to add about another just shy of $400 to the P&L if it hits. Again, that trade I put on the micro, I plan on holding when I go to bed tonight into the morning, until the close tomorrow, if needed. So we shall see. You missed the long, walked away. Yeah. That's what happens. As soon as we walk away, boop, it's like, oh, they're gone. Let's go. That's what the market does. The market doesn't wait for us. We are at the market's mercy. The market doesn't care about our feelings. Trust me, I've cried many, many tears. Please don't take this. Please, I'll never do it again. Market says, thank you. Shut the beep up. The moment you start, pleading with the market, oh, please just come back. Please, you're screwed. It's done. It's game over. Just go ahead and exit the trade then. Because it's only going to get worse 9 times out of 10. So, man, I really hope this NASDAQ runs up tonight, hits my target while I'm sleeping. That'd be great. How many accounts total am I trading? That's a good question. 14, 19, 26 accounts. Trading 26. Yeah, even oil got a pump. It's crazy. Hey, I didn't see that statement about Rubio. I did see it the other day where Rubio said he still hopes that diplomacy can whatever, but you can't negotiate with somebody that's not going to hold up to their end of the deal. US-Iran situation has grown very challenging. All right. Texas site marks 700 million investment, covers 324,000 square feet. All right, China. I was just checking any news I might have missed. Q's coming back up. Huh, that's pretty neat, Raj. Yeah. Well, I mean, oil's not going down. If the pump up was due to possible negotiations, oil would have came down. Oil did not come down, so I don't think that's what caused the pump. If oil would have dropped, I could have been in that camp. All right, maybe that had something to do with it, but oil staying up there, I don't believe that. We did get a 9 count right up here as well. So maybe if we get another pullback, I'll look to go long. Yeah, AI can do some crazy stuff. Fast. Buyers stepped in, but are they weak buyers or are they going to be strong buyers? Can they hold? Can they hold that line? Next liquidity to the upside on the NQ is really up here on 29,400. A little more than 100 points away. No, the EMAs on this chart are 50 and 200 EMA. 50 and 200 on a Ninja Rinko 6-3 chart. So. Yeah, good look out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button. They needs to push it. It's a brick size, but then there's a trend threshold, which you can have it set. So 6 is, I guess, the brick size, and 3 means that the next bar is going to open in the middle of the other candle. So the Rinkos I have, they don't have true openings. So it helps you identify a trend a little bit better. And I can see when we're pushed away from the EMAs for little counter trend moves back, it works pretty good for that. Good strategy for New York Open. I mean, if it's hard for you, just sit on your hands, but I passed 5 Apex evals, only trading the New York Open the first 1 minute. Using the order flow. Pushing right back down. Code for Apex is Mike. Code Mike. M-I-K-E. But just look for imbalances, and a lot of times it's not necessarily the best to trade around there, but you can get some nice little moves. That first 1 minute, whip around a little bit. You can even do like a little 1 minute opening range if you wanted to. I should go back and look at that. Let's look at the 1 minute opening range today. Let's see, 9:30. All right, so here's the 1 minute opening range right here. Boop. All right, it's actually that white line, that one right there. Hey, so as soon as you break that, boop, quick little scalp down. If you broke the high, quick little scalp up. Easy peasy. Let's see the prior day. I don't know if I have enough data for the prior day. Let's look at this. Oh, there we go. Let's see 9:30 the next day. All right, so that's gonna be this candle right here, I think. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, so it's gonna be this candle right here. So look, just mark off the high, bink. Mark off the low, bink. Hey, as soon as we break it, whoop, quick little scalp up. That's one way you can trade it. Easy peasy. But man, they're giving it all back. What's oil doing? Oil's just hanging out there too. Oil's only moved up 3 ticks. Gonna be up late tonight. Gotta get green. Oh boy. Hey Thomas, I already went green to red once tonight. Green to red, then back to new session highs. I hate that. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. Had like 3 losses in a row. Sent me back a little bit. But it's all good. All good. Not the end of the world. On the sky. Oh, we're talking about in the opening trade, BK. It depends on how big that first 1 minute candle is. I'll do a percentage of that candle. So you can do 50% of that candle. Something along those lines. That's a good starting point. Oh, Apple Sports Equipment deep again. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sports Equipment deep. Let's do it. You guys haven't yet? Don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Smash it real good. We're going to do that Lucid account giveaway. We're going to get 200 likes. Then we'll do a Lucid giveaway before we end the stream at some point. Hey, J Loves. Hey, something you should do it. Everybody should do every night. Once you're done trading, go back through all your trades every night. Look at where you got in. What did you miss? What could you have done better? Some trades are going to be perfect They just don't work out. Oh, congrats, you get the 200 likes. Some trades are going to be absolutely, you did everything right, everything lined up. They just didn't work out. That's just the fact. And, you know, at first, when you start trading, it's kind of hard to, like, I can't believe it's just not going to work. Look, I had everything. I checked mark, check. Hit it. How come it didn't work? It's got to be something I'm missing. That's not necessarily true. No strategy is going to be 100%. None. Does not exist. The only way you can be guaranteed not to lose money in the stock market, the number one strategy, don't trade. Other than that, you're going to have losses. Plain and simple. Yep. Hey, actually, Frank, I got to check and see if 3 people are here. Let me see. I screenshotted it this morning. We have No Worries, Jay Loves, and Anmo from this morning. I got them saved. I'm ready to put them in. So let's see. All right, let's see. We're going to keep on pushing. Crude oil has come down a little bit, a couple ticks, not much. I had a couple ticks. Again, I already went green to red once tonight. Not trying to do it again. So I'm hoping the NASDAQ's going to pump overnight. I have not added to it. I still only got one contract on that. Your race, but someone else you pick, Mike? Oh, you don't want to race? Yeah, another 9 count down here. 9 count to 9 count. Let's see how 9 count's been firing off tonight. 9 count went a little bit higher. It came down. 9 count fired off. 9 count, a little reaction there. I'd say overall tonight they haven't done too bad. This one's gonna be the one that doesn't work. Yeah, I'm gonna hold my M&Q overnight. When I put that trade on, I set it up as an overnight trade. To join the race, Jeff, you gotta be signed up to the email list down below. If you're already signed up to it, you don't have to sign up again. Once you sign up, just click on the confirmation email, confirm your email, and I'll be giving out a key phrase in the chat. Nightbot will pick out 10 random winners, maybe 10 or 12. I'll pick out a handful of people, throw them into a duck race and see who wins. Hey, Miss K, what's up? What's up? So let's see. We're going to see who's going to win that Lucid account. So I think we've already, I gave one account away from the email. Oh no, it's from the video. I gave one account from the video this afternoon as well. I ended up giving away a 150K account. I meant to send the link for the 50K, but I sent the code for the 150K account. So oops, that person made out. Feed your duck and get in there. It's the first, here, I'll show you. I can't believe I didn't smash the like button myself. Slacker. King Slacker in the house. King Slacker, I did not hit the like button. Dang it. Hey, so if you hit more, right there it says giveaway sign up. Here, let me move this over. Giveaway sign up right there. Bink. Click on that. You need to make sure you put your YouTube username. I don't know where Jesse's at tonight. He's slacking. I think he's still mad at the markets from last night. He knows what I'm probably calling him in my head. Lucky like button not working. It wasn't working for me earlier either, Apple, but I forgot to smash it. It's probably why I had such a hard time tonight. All right, we're coming back down to lows of the night. Look, low of the night right here, right down below us, 232. I think we're going to break it. Wife probably mad at him. video she made was pretty funny. Yeah, I might want to try a little short down for a low of the day. So let me go there and sweep the low. Might be my first short of the night. Come on, a little bit more. Man, that's a whole lot of effort, not a lot of movement. That's a problem. That could be a problem. I'm gonna close it. I didn't like all that effort and not the follow through. You heard the knocking, we didn't get the follow through. Don't like that, so I closed it. Got a couple ticks. Don't like that. Yeah, it's only 7 in Cali. Let's see. We gotta push. Can we get it pushing back up or not? Actually, crude oil is starting to come down here a little bit. Not much. Let's not get too excited, but crude oil's got a little bit of red trying to form here. Nikkei still has about 20 minutes before lunch. Cosby still hanging out near the highs. HSI is trying to come back. HSI is about 50% into that gap. And look, NASDAQ, I'm kind of happy I got out. Again, I used you heard the aggression. Boom, 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 boom. And we didn't get the follow through. I got out. That saved me a stop loss. I made a couple ticks versus getting stopped out probably. Actually, I don't know if it would have hit my stop loss yet. Let me actually go see that. Oh yeah, it would have stopped me out. It would have got my stop loss. We would have lost $200 on that trade. Oh shoot, Jesse's in here. Where's my headset? All right, you guys gotta bear with me and see if I mute myself, forget to turn myself back on. No, hey, the channel line, the channel over here is free in Ninja. If you, let me see what it's called. I think it's called Regression Channel. Called Regression Channel. It's free inside Ninja. If you go to, you click right here. Regression Channel right there. I have it set at 55 and 3. So, all right, let me see. Let me see if I can get Jesse in here. All right, I'm going to bring Jesse on. Let's see what Jesse's been doing. I bet he hasn't been hitting that like button yet. All right, you're in. You should be in.
Oh, I did. I hit the like button.
How many
Everybody
times?
else, it's your turn. Let's go.
How many times did you hit it?
Just once. The normal.
Yeah, see, you got to pump those numbers up.
I think, hey, if I hit it, hold on, let me. Well,
has to be odd number amount of times, no even.
Yeah, exactly.
So you got to do 1, 3, 5, 7.
What's up, everybody?
Now that video was pretty funny.
Dude, that was after I don't know if you could tell or not, but I was already calmed down and like just like whatever, accepting it. You should have seen about 5 minutes before that.
So how's your night going tonight?
Oh, good. I'm up 440. I'm not really trading.
Like 440 or?
Yeah,
okay.
440 times all 5 accounts.
I didn't know if you meant like 4,400.
No, I wish.
I was like, wow, you're killing it. You're about past. Hey, what was your total today? How much you make today?
It was that whatever my I sent you that report card. I think it was 3,400 or something like that.
Oh, the one I
Yeah.
seen on my phone, I guess. Maybe it was an email you sent.
Yeah, it was an email report card.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I screenshotted it earlier. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Got a lot going on. Oil's coming down. Oil's back down less than $1, or it's up less than $1.
Frank, I'm in wine country. Wine.
He was drinking last night.
No, I don't. I'll cook with wine, but I don't like to drink it. I'm not real big on alcohol.
Hey, not even last night after all those trades? Or that one trade?
No. Listen, my mindset is this. It might not be popular opinion, but trading is difficult. We got to be top-notch mindset when we're trading, and even then, we've got a 60% chance of winning a trade, right? So
maybe not.
I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do no drugs. Nothing. I got to stay focused.
Fish tacos.
SoCal. Hey, we got good fish tacos up in NorCal too, Miss K.
What kind of fish do they use on tacos?
Cod. Rockfish. We got some
rockfish. I never heard of rockfish.
Rockfish. We got these big old beautiful blue rockfish out here. Oh, they're awesome. You should Google it.
Sharp.
I think it's a type of cod. I think. Let me see. Blue rock fish. They're pretty cool looking. Yeah. Oh, that ain't what I was looking for. Images. Yeah. Yeah, these are the bad boys. Yeah, we've got blue ones, red ones. The blue is what's real good in fish tacos. And we got tons of those out here. Everybody's out on the ocean fishing for these things all the time.
Hey, so what do you think we're doing tomorrow? Up or down?
Oh, I voted green for tomorrow in the poll.
I wonder if we're gonna hit some of those upper targets. I wonder if we're gonna come out with some type of deal. Oh, we're gonna start talking again.
So I have a couple target zones. I got one below us, and that's what I think I was talking about that earlier. Let me see what price is that.
Hey Neil, what's up?
All right, so I got one at 212, and then I got some big targets up above us.
What's big?
448.
Oh, hey, it's funny you say that.
540.
Hey, because 486, I got the ABC target at 486.
Yeah, well, this one's based on.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying about having an ABC target up there on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
It's kind of around that 450 area you got.
Yeah. Yep. So we got, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, we got some big targets up there. Got one below us for tonight if we keep drifting down. I like this 212. So we'll see how it plays out.
Yeah, I was thinking about, I still got to add, I got one micro on right now. I'm down like $59 in it. I'm hoping if it goes down more, I'm going to add to it, but so
yeah,
we'll see. Yeah, trading's definitely a marathon. We try to do it really quick right now. Boom, boom, boom. It's not going to work. I got to make this money right now. Probably won't do it.
Right now never works.
Nope.
It almost seems to work better if you don't need the money and you're like,
It does. Because you don't care. You're not in a hurry. You're just like, I'm telling you, if you need money, it just runs away from you.
Yeah.
You don't need the money. It's just like, wow, how do I always have all this money? Like, if you need it, you can't find $1. You can't find a penny. Crazy how that works.
Also, when you think you're about a couple hours from a payout, that's when it runs away from you too.
Yeah, it can. Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, payouts. I hate once you submit the payout just waiting. Oh boy, did I mess something up? That's why I like MFF. As soon as you submit it, boom, done. Now TPT is like that. Tradeify is pretty quick. Lucid's quick. They've all gotten really, really quick.
Hey, good night, Anmal.
Yeah, good night. Hey, Anmo, hey, you're in the race. Hey, don't go yet. You're going to be in the race. I told you
Oh.
this morning.
Hey, Hey, you want to do it now? Get it out of the way.
Yeah, I might be able to do it now.
Let's do it now. Stick around, bud. Let's see if you can win.
Yeah,
this
I
race.
told Ammo I put him in a race. All right. Oh, I gotta get everything set up still. That's why you only play M and Q. Yeah, Neo, you killed it M and Q too.
Duck race. Yeah, finite. Here it comes.
All right, hey, all we need is 1,000 likes, and we're gonna do a duck race.
Hey, we
Just
got
joking.
267.
I said 200
people
likes.
here.
We're doing a duck race.
Let's go.
I gave out the. I picked the winner from one of the videos. I meant to do a 50K giveaway. I did 150K. Give them the wrong code, so they made out.
Somebody got lucky.
Yeah.
They were up all night to get lucky.
All right, let's see. I got that. I got Nightbot set up. I want to change it.
Hey, so what's the prize in this duck race?
50K Lucid account.
Okay, can you choose between
Oh no,
Pro and Flex?
I gotta see how many
what?
I got left. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, they can choose between Pro and Flex. You have the
All
choice.
right.
You have the choice. Giveaway.
Danny A says, I've tried to get in the duck race like 4 times. Let me in. Hey, Mike's gonna drop a code as soon as you start spamming the chat. I'm sure Nightbot will find you.
And you gotta be on the email list. Let's just talk about this real quick. First, you gotta be signed up to the email list. Second, you gotta make sure your email is confirmed. So once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. Might go to your spam folder, but click on it. Then we're gonna give out the code, and you just gotta type it in and see who Nightbot picks. Who's it gonna be?
Block Talk and Shimya both got my little Daft Punk singing there. That's funny. Like earlier on the stream too. What did I comment this morning? And like a ton of people recognized it. What did I say? Something about Return of the Mac. Everybody's like, yes, Mark Morrison. That was cool.
Gonna pull a trump card to get in the race.
What's up, Gio? Good to see you.
Wow, look at my chart. This looks ugly there.
Yeah, Danny A says he's on the email list. Got confirmed.
All right,
that's good.
Perfect.
Tris.
All right,
Trish,
code
never been in,
Lucid.
Trish never been
Use
in
code
either.
Mike. Drop the code.
Oh, you dropped the code. Copy and paste that. Spam it.
Hey, Apple's the first one.
Hit it. Hit it. That chat ain't moving very fast, guys. You better go quicker.
Yeah, someone don't know what to do.
You got to paste it and hit enter. Paste it and hit enter. Over and over and over and over. It gives you more opportunity to get in the rate. There you go. Now it's moving. Let's go. All right, so Nightbot is going to randomly pick people that are pasting that in the chat.
Where's the moon? I'm going to pick a couple people as well. So we're going to try to get this going.
Let's go.
Oh, Miss K. I was going to pick Miss K. But Miss K, you already have a spot. So
Yeah.
the Nightbot knew. Robert, you have a spot.
That'd be cool if Nightbot grabs Trish. Trish says she's never been in, or she or he, I don't know.
Well, if you can, I'll let you pick Trish.
Is it Tish or Trish? I can't remember.
I don't know. I'm going off what you're saying. I can't read it.
Yeah, the chat's moving too quick. I'll correct myself here in a moment.
And
All right.
something or another.
How many you got so far?
Don't know. 8.
Yeah. By the way, if you guys get an error message from YouTube saying you're sending too many messages, just keep going. They still come through. I think
Really?
I think the filter is broken. They still allow your messages.
All right, not by pick 10. I'm going to let it pick one more.
Okay, one more entry from Nightbot.
Oh, J Loves. Man, I was going to put J Loves in too.
J Love's got
Hey, Nightbot didn't trust me. Said, yeah, we don't trust you, Mike.
it.
All right,
Okay, you guys can stop hitting the code now. The automated entries are done.
All right, so now I got to go through and scroll. Okay, I got to see the list. I took screenshots because I get squirreled easily. All right, Animal has a spot. I gotta go find them.
Javier, how the hell do you have your name in gray like that?
What do you mean?
Javier.
Everybody's name's Gray.
No, it's like highlighted gray. It looks cool. I like that.
Oh. I don't know.
Although I think mine's blue.
There's no worries in here. If no worries isn't in here, I don't see him tonight.
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, mine's blue. I
No
prefer
worries.
my blue.
No worries not in here, so.
Oh boy.
J Love's already made it. Animal. All right, so I got the people. Ooh, no, I gotta get Frank. I almost forgot Frank. All right. All right, Frank's got a spot.
Javier says I'm a verified content creator. Oh, okay, cool.
All right, Gio, I'll give you a spot in the Ducky Duck race.
Is it Trish? Yes, it's Trish. That's my pick if you're going to give me a pick.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's at Trish.
Last three, 3683.
I got you, Trish. Yeah, I believe. Let me just try again. Yep, that's it.
All right.
Yep.
Hey, well, somebody, hey, who said that they've tried to get in 4 times and they've never been picked?
That was Danier. Dannnier. I think that's a French name. Danier. That's my guess.
All right, let's try that. All right. I got Space is a spot. And Plum Trader, you got a spot.
So wait a minute. Who's biting their nails? Adam is biting his nails. Adam, are you in already?
No, he is now.
Adam, you're in. You don't have to chew on those nails anymore, my friend. Let's go.
I'll give Roach a spot. And wow, holy crap, I gotta pick a lot of people. Let's see. I'll put
Wild Deuces.
I'll put Thomas in.
Thomas, okay.
All
right, guys, make sure you're signed up for the email list and you're confirmed. Otherwise, you forfeit.
Yeah. All right. So let's see who's got the fastest duck out there. Let's see. 1 minute sprint.
Frank says the first 3 win. I don't know about that, Frank.
Yeah, I don't have that many accounts. All right, there we go. I got logged into email myself.
A Mitten, the email sign up is in the description of the live stream down below. There's a link down there. You sign up and then the system automatically emails you. You got to click the link in that email to confirm your email address.
Yeah, it's the first link.
Yeah.
Spaces is number 1 right now.
Okay.
I don't know. I think it's a little bit early in the race, Spaces. I think you're gonna get smacked back.
Caroline's looking pretty good.
I can't read all the other names.
Thomas is coming on strong. Oh, what's that duck up at the very top with no
Thomas
name?
just faded. Oh, we got a no-name duck too.
Yeah, who's the no-name?
Huh.
If the no-name wins, I get to pick, yeah?
No.
Oh.
Okay. I'll make you a deal. If no name wins, you can pick.
Oh, boy.
And boy, hey, good thing you stayed.
Oh.
Hey, good thing you stayed.
Dude.
Oh, you would have left. You would have missed out.
Look at that. You were going to go to bed, man.
Oh, man. See, it was worth waiting. Oh, man. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? That's funny. How close that was.
GG. Yeah, good. Yeah, nice race, guys.
ANM. All right.
Yeah, and then you got to pick pro or what'd you say?
I gotta go log in first.
Okay.
But I think they can probably pick. I think. What's going on here? ANM.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet you it's this one right here. They're ripping it. I'm not even in it.
Hey, what's up,
Actually,
Gods?
I am in it.
You're in it with those micros.
Oh, I don't know
what
if
a
this
rip.
is you or not.
That is a nice little rip.
Oh man. I don't know if this is you. Hey, I'm gonna email you. Hey, we're gonna do 2FA. The YouTube name is close, but it doesn't match exactly. Yeah, they're ripping it though. That's all right. At least I'm still in the. I got the 1 micro, so I'm still good. Compose. Hey, Animal. Type in the chat the code I just emailed you, or the number. They're ripping. We're getting news out. Wait, what's crude oil doing? Crude oil's not really moving. I don't see any news yet either. Oh, Apple, good job. Apple sports equipment gets filled. All right, perfect. I got the right one. All right. Let me log into Lucid. Let me see the codes I have. And we'll see if we got, if you get the choice. I'm hoping you do. I think you should. But let's just double check. Let's get it. Let's get it. So look, I'm still looking for this target on the MNQ 486. On my micro, I got my 1 micro on. It's currently still down $38. That's gonna be my overnight trade. I have not added to it yet. I was gonna say it's not. That's weird. How does it say it's not me?
VWAP being reclaimed, says Raj. Let's see if they can. Well, they didn't hold above it though. I'd like to see us pop above it and then hold it, and then I might start looking for longs up to them big green targets I'm talking
And
about.
smack it. Bam.
Oh.
Oh, hey, J Lows. I appreciate all of you guys as well. You guys make it fun. And you guys have helped out my trading too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Hey, Animal, do you want the flex or the... Let me just make sure I got pros. Yeah, Animal, you can pick 50K flex or 50K pro. What do you want? Yeah,
Okay.
Raphael, my target's 486, Raphael. Flex? Yeah, I like the flex accounts too. I do like the flex accounts. Flex, eval, copy.
I'll be right back. The wife just brought me a dinner plate.
Hey, no excuse. You're a piker.
It's dinner time over here. It's 7:30. Actually, it's late.
Hey, you're a piker. You ever seen that movie, Boiler Room?
Yeah.
That's where I got that from. Vacation. Let's see.
All right, I'm gonna go on mute for a few minutes, guys. I'll be right back.
All right. He said a few seconds, didn't he? So someone needs to get a stopwatch here. 10:31 there. Yeah, it's I was 10:32 where I'm at too. Just make sure I send this to the right person. What do I do with the code? Copy. Hey, Animal, I went ahead and sent that to you. You should be all set. Just let me know when you get it. That was a decent little rip. Hey, good night, Chris. Good night, good night, good night. Still want one more trade. I'd like to be able to push to at least 1K tonight. Not counting the overnight trade. Yeah, gold's up 57 right now. Huh. On the 4 hour, gold looks like it wants to pop a little bit more. Yeah, look, gold's still ripping on the 5 minute. On the 4 hour, gold looks pretty constructive. Oh, hey, perfect. I'm glad you got it. Hey, thanks for coming and hanging out with us. I do appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. That's a pretty good little rip. What about if we look at CL, crude oil? The overnight trade is on the M&Q. Yeah, look, we see the crude oil coming back down towards VWAP. I'm trying to target overnight all the way up here to 486. I'm going to put some add orders in. I only got one contract on it now. I don't have a stop loss on my overnight trade until I get all the full position in. So once I get the full position to me would be anywhere from 6 to 8 contracts on the M&Q. Once I got it in, then on the last contract, I put my stop loss in. I'm trying to build into position. I don't want to stop out. Like, I don't want to stop out. I'm trying to build into it. I think Apex did open back up metals. I think. I'm not sure. I don't trade metals, so I'm not really 100% on that. I kind of feel like they did, or is another prop firm that did. Oh, hey, Miss K, you were in the race. Waiting for an entry, now he'll be up all night. Oh, okay. I thought you meant entry into the race. Thank you, fighting but gonna lose. Yeah, it might. Hopefully not, though. I need to go up. I need to go up for my micro, for my overnight trade. Yeah, the market. Too much bear flags. Yeah, maybe. All we need is a nice little headline to come out saying, hey, US and Iran going to enter back into negotiations. And then we'll see what the market does. That easy. Easy peasy. Mac and cheesy. $420. Yeah, let's go look at Tesla real quick. Tesla and SpaceX been taking on some heat recently. Tesla is up 2.53% today. I don't like that chart though. I don't like the chart of Tesla. Nikkei should be at lunch. Let's see, is the Cosby still trading? HSI dumped back down too. That's not good. President warns China could face sanctions over AI IP theft. No, I don't have a short overnight. I have a long. Yeah, when I put on the M&Q trade from the start, I said this is going to be an overnight trade. I did not expect it to hit target while we're on stream. I normally go to bed with the trade on. That way I have the opportunity to make some money while I sleep. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I lose. Good morning. Hey, Trading Game, good morning. That's what's crazy. Got everyone from around the world. Yeah, sometimes I lose on them. But if I start off small enough, by the time I build up to my full position, a lot of times I can work out of it and still turn it into a profit. So when I get in, I'm not looking for my initial entry to be right. I'm looking for just a starter position. I'm looking to get more contracts on it. Hey, no reason to be sorry. It's all good. No worries. NASDAQ is trying to come back down here a little bit. Maybe if we pop up towards that 200 EMA, maybe I'll smack it back down. See if we can get a revisit of low of the day. And just saying, right, why are you sorry? I'm in the U.S. down in Florida. Yeah, you can't DCA starting off big. I'm just joking around. If you start off too big DCA, it's gonna be a bad day. When the bad day happens, it's gonna be really bad. On the right, this is a Ninja Rinko chart. It's not time based. Left-hand chart is a 1 minute. I have the 4-hour chart over here and the 30-minute chart right there. So. And not a problem. Oil's come back off the high quite a bit. Oil's up, what, $1.30-ish? Only up 78 cents at the moment. You sleep one ticket. Did I put the kids to bed? Hey, just ain't right. What time is it where you're at? Hey, Carlos, good night. 9:39, nice. Yeah, it's a regression channel is a stock indicator inside of Ninja. Right here. Just type in regression channel in the indicators. And I have it set for 55 for the period and 3 for the width. Hey, man, y'all. Good evening. Hey, we got another 9 count right here. This 9 count kind of got busted. That one worked out fairly well. This one, still wait and see. That one worked out pretty decent. That one, decent little bounce there. Let's see if we get a little bounce off this. A little reaction. I'm kind of torn. We're so close to the low of the day. Do we bust the low or not? Well, look at the 30-minute volume profile. We still have value area low down here. We have the P point at 118.5. Hey, Mechanoble. What's up? What's up? Good night. Good evening. Good whatever. Good everything. I want one more good trade. I don't want it to be a loss. I need one more winning trade. Will it be a buy or will it be a sell? I think I've only placed one sell tonight, one short tonight so far. Look, we came back up here towards that 200 EMA. I just don't like. I wasn't paying attention to that 9 count when I said I may want to short. Now we're way above it, so I don't know. Dow's only down 26. Hey, oil now is only up 64. No, so the clicking sound is coming from Bookmap. I have it correlated. There's a indicator called Market Pulse. It's correlated between the ES and the NASDAQ. So I have it set at 81 for the threshold. So above 81, it'll start hearing chirping noise. Minus 81, it'll hear knocking noise. I use it to time my exits or my quick little scalps. So if you hear when it slows down, I smack it. If we're at a key level on a chart. Overbought, oversold, key level, something like that. If I'm in a trade, start trying to tighten up the stop or maybe look to exit the trade. I feel like they're going to entice me in this. Let's go check this real quick. Yeah, they're going to entice me in this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. I jumped in it. 5 minute was up here a little bit higher. You gotta come back and get me them. We need 2 trades.
All right, I'm back. What'd I miss?
I just got in a trade. I'm probably gonna lose.
Oh. Let's see.
I bid on it.
Well, we're kind of been in this range.
Yeah.
It probably wants to go back up to where right about where your target's at.
We'll see. It's gonna stop me out first though.
Yeah,
I kind of FOMO'd the entry.
yeah. Ideally, that stop should be down below the range, so you got in late.
Yeah, I got way late.
I might give it a shot. I'm in with
Oh, don't. We're gonna be screwed.
you. I'm short.
Oh, I'm long. Oh, if you're short, you're good then.
No, I'm just kidding. Nice little range here. I mean, it should pop up to VWAP,
I'm
I
just
would
closing.
think.
I'm closing it, save a tick or two. It'll go up now. You're good.
What's up, Mecca?
Quarter blocks underneath us. Did you really get in?
Yeah, I'm in.
See, you're taking heat. Told you not to do it. Bad trade.
No, I'm only down $25.
That's how it starts out. It's not even quicksand. Long. I think he's long. You're long or short?
Yeah, I'm long. I was just messing around with Mike about the short. I'm long. I'm targeting VWAP.
Hey, Carl, what's up?
Looking for a little rotation of this range we've been in. In fact, if I zoom my volume profile out to only this range, we just bounced off of the value area low, and the POC for this range is at 274. VWAP's at 279. Tell you what, I'll front run. I'll just go to the POC. How about that?
We're trying to get out at what price?
275.
I'm front running you. Oh, we're both gonna be wrong.
I trade with bigger stops than you do, though, so I'm lucky. Or unlucky. It could go either way.
I was just gonna say, because last night was a pretty big stop.
Yeah, well, that was stupid. That was not a stop.
It was. It stopped. They forcefully took you out.
Uh-huh.
They said, all right, enough of this, Jesse. Yeah, get out.
Mm-hmm.
God dog it. This is gonna pick me off.
So here's value area low right here. This should be where my entry was, darn it.
Now, hey, you can trade. Hey, Jay Loves, you can trade with the free version. Market replay for free. No cost. You don't have to buy anything, open an account, nothing. I mean, you have to give them your email or whatever. I don't like that I'm sitting in the red.
I think it wants to rotate back up through value here.
It needs to hurry up.
There we go. I'm hearing buyers. They're stepping in. Let's go. Now, can we get a little follow through is the question.
Let's try and.
Yeah, here we go. They're trying.
If
to
it goes
push.
up there and hits my target, that'll put me where I'm happy for the night.
Good.
It's a big if though. A big if. I'm curious, are these levels updated?
I don't think so. Not
Not
till
yet.
11, I don't think.
Oh, not yet.
Ooh, I'm hearing buyers. Let's go, baby.
Yes is ripping up.
Come on.
Maybe I should just move my target up like 40 points.
Well, the range, unfortunately, the little moves have been small tonight. The ATR kind of.
Yeah, so that means we're due for a big move.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the ATR right now in the 5 minute?
I average out the 6 period and the 3 period, so it's not the same as anybody else would, but it's worth $771 right now if you get the tops and bottoms right.
I'm just trying to get like 400.
So, I mean, I'll take $700 trades all day. I was my entry is a little high on this one, but that's all right. I'm just targeting that point of control of this range here.
You hope it goes there.
Yeah.
I hope it does too.
Mine's 275. VWAP's above that at 278.
Mine's at 273. Not because of you. That's just where it was at.
Yeah, it should go. Should.
We'll see. Will it win or will it not? I don't know. Dow's down 8. That's not much.
What are the Asian markets doing?
They're all up. Oh, no, not all. HSI is down. And HSI just was trying to get in the gap. So Nikkei is up 1,278 points. Kospi is up 343, and the HSI is trying to come back. It's down 169. It got into the gap and got smacked back down. Maybe a little double bottom-ish. Maybe.
Sinister Scalper says he needs gold to drop.
Yeah, gold's been strong tonight. I don't know if you've seen gold, but gold's been getting it. Let's see it now. Yeah, gold's up here at session highs. Just chilling. Up a cool 56 points.
Wow, nice.
$56. I feel like I should have got out in that pop right there. Right back near that prior swing.
Kind of seems like it's trying to start forming an even. Oh, here we go. Forming an even tighter little range inside the bigger range, which is already small.
Hey, String Big. Have a good evening. Good night.
Hey, String Bean.
Just need to smack it. Smack it real good. Pow. That's why I hate when the market's slow. Yeah, 251 likes. I see 253, but still, that's pretty good.
Yeah, last night would have been a good night to be on the right side of that, but I was not.
Yeah, I was good last night. Last night I was long.
Freaky Banana says, learning a lot from you guys. No problem. I learned everything from Mike, so.
No, that's not true.
Everything that I do good, I learned from Mike.
That's not true.
Last night, didn't learn from Mike.
Yeah, I haven't taught you the calculator trade yet.
No.
When you're in trouble, you pull out the calculator, see how many contracts you can afford. It came about me. My friend was at work one time. He was in a trade, got margin call. He's like, crap, I can't do the contracts anymore. So he had to bust out the calculator, figure out how many he could afford. So we started calling that the calculator trade. Oh, that was a rough day. I got smoked that day too. I think it's going to be a bad trade.
The question is it forming a smaller little range now, or is it still going to pop up there?
Almost, Tom. I try to take questions that I get from you guys too, and turn them into videos, because if one person has a question, there's probably other people that have similar questions.
I mean, look at the, I don't know if you've got a crude chart, but oh, mine's delayed, darn it. Mine's delayed, but crude was
come back
dropping. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's coming back off that low a little bit.
Oh, is it?
A little bit. Your crude shouldn't be delayed.
It is, because I'm connected to TPT, who's got me on live data, and they only subscribe me to the CME. Or whatever. Basically, I only get NQ, ES, and RTY. Everything else is delayed.
I knew I should have. Should have took it up there. I knew I should have. Dang it.
It should respect these lows. It has multiple times. Let's see.
Yeah, it's gonna hit my stop though. My stop's before it.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, I meant the swing low it was at right here.
Oh, I thought you. So I got one just over a little bit left.
Yeah, there's that one too, but
I'm right at it.
Mm-mm.
Looking for a crash only.
Crashes only.
I'll take out the. Really kicking myself for not getting out up there. I knew I should have.
Well, how much were you up? 150 or something?
$200, I think.
Oh. Okay,
that would have made back that. I would have made back that last losing trade. That's why I say I should have got out. Then it's like I can reset. I don't feel like I'm down as much. Because even if I was up 10 grand for the day, if I take a trade, I lose $100. In my mind, I'm down $100. I know it's dumb, but it's just
your mind has intraday trailing drawdown.
Way before that was ever even a thing.
Yeah.
Because once that trade's closed out, that's my money now.
That's your money.
And now, poof, it's gone.
I should have been telling myself that last night on that Lucid account.
Yeah, regression trail is almost flat.
Mine's pointed up. I use a different time frame, but mine's up.
Oh, mine's trying to catch up.
All right, hold on. Be right back.
No, hey, John, I was already in before that. I didn't jump in because Jesse. I was already in. I got stopped out. I took a second attempt at it. So, if my gut instinct, if somebody says they want to get long, my gut instinct is I want to do the opposite. So, double down on wrong trades. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I don't know if he jumped in because of me. He just started looking at the market, decided he wanted to get in. It wasn't because of me.
All right, I'm back.
If we were talking about it and I wasn't in it, he would have still got in it.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Actually, I think I was in first.
No, I was. I got
stopped.
stopped
You got
out
stopped. You got back in. That's right. You got back in. Stop copying me.
I'm trying to do something right. I figured you had the Holy Grail. After last night, man, you had to be on a hot streak tonight.
What I like is, yeah. What I like to do is that when we get stuck down into these little ranges, I'll zoom my chart way in on the range, only on the range, and then I have a chart visible volume profile so I can watch the value area of the range.
I'm out.
So I'll play the rotations up and down the range and
Oil's going back up. Oil's up 90 now.
I forgot mine was delayed. I've been watching it tonight too and using it.
Hey, look, I think we're gonna come down and take out that low.
Oh, really?
I knew I should have got out up there. I knew I should have, but doing and knowing are two different things. So,
yeah.
Captain says party is over. Not yet. We're just getting started. We do have that P point down here. I'm probably gonna stage an order with a micro down there for tonight. I really hate once I feel like I'm starting to get down. And no, hey, Leo, believe it or not. So in the past, I've tried to trade in London 3 times. The first time it lasted for about 2 days back when I still had a job. And I think I broke even on those 2 days, said, forget this. I'm tired all day at work.
Yeah.
Next time I tried it for about a week. And again, it's about break even, but time I go to work, I'm tired all day. So forget this mess. Then I tried it again for probably 2 months. I don't know, 1 to 3 months. I don't know exactly. And the money I made I made more money just trading at work. But now I think I could beat London now. So I want some revenge. we're going to stream London at some point. See if I can get revenge, not permanently, but maybe for a week or a couple weeks, just to see if I can get back on London. I think I can. But thinking and doing could be 2 totally different things.
I've tried to stay up to trade it a couple times and I'm just way too tired. There's no way I can trade successfully.
Well, hey, so when I was doing that, I was coming home from work, eating, doing whatever for a little bit, go to bed, boom, get up. I was getting up at 2:45.
Ooh.
Hey, and then it was funny. So I'd lose. Last trade, right before I had to leave the house. Either I was out right before I had to leave to go to work, or I'm driving down the road watching the trade on my phone. I get to work, it hits target, I'm break even. So all that for what? Nothing. All right, we just took out the low.
Yeah, made a new low.
ES is holding up better than the NASDAQ though. We look over here, ES is holding up much better. ES is not down at the low yet. Like Albright says, if we trade London tonight. Hey, Mike, you like London? I really think I could beat London now. I really do. I just, yeah, I mean, now I don't have to go work a full-time job, so it'd be a lot easier on my schedule. Going to work, man, and then out in the heat. Oh, man, it's a long day. Being tired. Oh, man.
Hey, fine night. Good night. Get some rest, huh?
Yeah, have a good night.
Oh, hey, did you see String Bean's message about he got the Apex bundle, 5 accounts, first time ever.
Oh, I
trading
did not.
eval.
Oh, good job, String Bean.
Asking you for some advice on that.
Hey, String Bean, just be well aware of the intraday trailing drawdown. If you got did you get the intraday or the EOD accounts? The intraday trailing drawdown is, it's different if you're not used to it. Every time your account goes to a new equity high, the drawdown moves up, even if you did not close it out. So, String Bean says, I'm joining you guys. I'm not in. Jesse might still be in. I'm out. I got stopped out.
Yeah, I'm still in. I had my stop a little bit below the low, so it almost got me, but we'll see what happens here.
I was thinking about taking a swing at it, but
I had a feeling it might want to try to just flush the low real quick and then bounce, but we'll see.
did you say you moved your stop?
No, I said I had my stop is
Oh.
a little bit below the.
Hey, look, we do
low.
got a 9 count down here too. So we might be able to get a little something. Yeah. I'm not in it though. This might be the worst Asia session I've had since I started streaming again at night. P&L wise. I didn't take as many trades, but
No, it was that other night when you and I both had horrible Asia sessions. Jeez.
no, I think I still came back. It was rough, but I'm saying P&L wise.
Oh god.
Not how hard it was to
Yeah,
get
yeah.
there, but just P&L wise. Yeah, we'll
String
try to
with-
come back down.
Yeah, micros on the prop accounts is definitely the safer route there, String Bean.
On the intraday drawdown, especially. Hey, look, oil's just hanging out just right below the VWAP. VWAP.
BK, good night.
BK, good night. Good night. Man, I feel like I'm down about $300.
Nah.
Oh. So I'm not going to be
You're
able to go to
not.
sleep till I get it back. I am. I feel like I am.
Boy. Oh boy. Famous last words. Got to get it back.
I do. I got to get it back. I'll get it back. At some point. If it's 4 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, doesn't matter. Or I'll come in the stream tomorrow, have big old raccoon eyes. But what happened to you, man? I was in a bad trade.
Hey, String Bean, one thing about the trade copier, make sure you turn on the executions only so it doesn't copy all your stops and targets to all the follower accounts.
Thomas says, it seems like I'm always trading out of the hole. Yeah. I mean, I'm not in the hole right now, but I feel like I am. I do feel
That's how I have been tonight too, Thomas. It's not just you. I've been fighting it tonight too. I don't know why. It's crazy.
Yeah, look at this. We got a second deviation band on the NASDAQ. If I come over and bring over the ES chart, ES is right there just above VWAP. What's up with that? What's the why? You look at the Cosby. Cosby was still doing well. Last time I looked.
Must be having something to do with chips. Didn't I see something about Nvidia earlier?
I don't know.
I saw some news about Nvidia, a factory in Texas. Something.
Oh
or
yeah, I
other.
think I did see something. But I
So
think that would be good though. Not bad.
Well, there's something they don't like about it, right? Because chips affect the NQ way more than the ES. String Bean. Oh, what did I? Financial Juice talked over me. So in your trade copier, you got to make sure you turn on the option where it sends only market orders to the, I think the AI trade. What does it call it on that one?
Hey, it calls it
Executions.
Hey, yeah, right next to the on-off button, Make sure it's on executions, not on orders.
There you go. Because you'll hit the trade of 8 limits, API limits, if you're copying stops and targets to all your follower accounts.
Yeah. So if you, it's showing B. So if you look right here, right next to that on button, right here, that execution button right there. So. Hi, next in Samsung.
All right. Good night, Robert.
Bill Cos, great market maker.
Leo, that was not Replicanto. That's Affordable Indicators, but Replicanto has a similar option. That's what I use, Replicanto. It's
A44, what's up?
They call it market only. It's a little diamond. You got to turn on the little green diamonds.
Yeah, but what I like about the affordable one is it'll look for ghost orders. It'll close it without reversing the position.
Nice.
And it knows when you pass the eval. Once you pass the eval, it'll automatically liquidate the account. And then if you try to hit copy, it won't copy the trade anymore. Yeah, I had Replicano before too. Replicano's still a good copier. Like Jesse said, just use the diamond. Have the diamond set. Hey, Eric, see you tomorrow. Yeah, so hey Bradley, that's why the trailing is an issue. You know, if you're trailing to stop.
Yeah, I use trails. You can do that if you turn on the market orders only or executions only.
Well, it depends on how many accounts and how crazy you're getting with it. You get 20 Apex accounts, you can hit that limit a lot quicker. Especially if it's going like on orders, you'd be all right. But without orders, man, you hit that thing quick.
Yep.
I need either one good trade or 2 more trades. I feel like I'm down.
Why not 3?
I just want to get back to where I was.
Well, now that you're kind of trying to look, you go long off the lows down here. It's trying to push up.
I don't know. I don't trust it.
If they hold your 200 EMA, that might be a good setup.
Maybe. I don't know, because I don't want to make it worse. So I'm kind of in a, I don't want to go to bed really upset.
Yeah. Hey, did you already close those micros when we were up there or no?
Which ones?
Weren't you in a micro trade earlier?
I'm still in it. I'm looking to add to it.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking to take that way up to 400 and something, 480 for. I'm trying to target 486 on that. Actually, I'm probably gonna front run. I'll probably get around 480. I need to add to it, so I probably should just add to it. Because if I can wake up tomorrow and that thing hits target tonight while I'm sleeping, oof.
Yeah, that'd be a nice one.
All right, I'm gonna put my targets in.
Come on, they're pumping it up. Let's go.
I went ahead and added one to it, so now I got 2 of those on.
All right.
Oh, I didn't know you call 8. Did you have them reset the API?
Yes, they have a phone number on there. They have an article, an FAQ about that. Trade of 8 does, and they have a phone number you can call to have them reset it.
Yeah, Stream B, Joe has a lot of great tools. I never had any problems with their products either.
Well, that little
Frank, but hey, well, what stinks is when you wake up to a big fat loss. No, it's great when it works, but what about when it doesn't?
Yep, new low.
Told you I didn't trust it. You're saying go long. I was like,
well, no, it ripped up. You would have been out of that.
Nah, I was looking
You're
for
going
more.
for $100 to $200. That was a nice little rip.
I was gonna go for $400. I'm down. I gotta get it back plus some. That's what I'm saying. I gotta be picky. I'm looking for the better opportunity, not just as much as my gut wants to buy it. I can't do it here. I do like that Dow's not down much. NASDAQ's taking the brunt of it tonight. Russell down 1.5. ES only down 4.75. Hey, String Bean, what panel are you talking about? Are you talking about the oh, let me get over there real quick. So I think I have it if we're talking about the same thing. Let me just see. Products. Are you talking about the chart trader for the panel? Essentials trade panel. I see essential chart trader. Hold on. They have iceberg order. Iceberg entry orders.
Sorry, what was that maximum pullback you allow on the A to B?
786.
Oh.
Hey, so I had the professional one, String B. No, VIX wasn't up more than 10%, or wasn't down more than 10% today. So if we look at the VIX, VIX was only down 8.68%. We got new lows here.
What am I missing? Let me pull my chart back over. Wow, they're getting it.
Are you still in that?
No, I'm about to close it.
You're about to, so that means you're still in it. So you moved your stop loss. You moved your stop loss.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a little pop here. Quick look, see if I can get a little something.
A little something.
Might not work. But we'll see. My fear is we're going to go down a lot deeper tonight.
Yeah, quite a different evening from last night. Jeez.
Exact opposite. Last night we went up all night. Today we go down. Oil's up 86 cents. And Dow's only down 22 points, so we don't have a lot of liquidity on the books on NASDAQ.
No, you got 10 and 13 right below us there, but that's it.
That's nothing.
And then 48 down there at 160.
Thought we get a little bit more of a bounce here. At least enough for 5 points.
Yeah. Nada.
I'm usually pretty good in Asia. Usually around 8 o'clock, you get a nice little turn. Like almost every night around 8 o'clock. Right here, go up 8 o'clock. Bink. Happens almost every night. And sometimes we'll turn back around, but we just haven't been doing it the last couple nights. Dog it. Just close. I'm not going to take the full loss. You don't trust the Pop TC 3 green candles? Oh, man, I can't. I can't do that. I need to already be in.
Yeah, 3 green candles. That's tough. The move might be over by then, especially if we're in a downtrend, right?
Well, that's what I'm worried about, but
yeah,
you know, some people, everyone has their own way, so.
Yeah.
Wow, gold's up 64 now.
I haven't even been watching gold, but wasn't it up like double the price just a few months ago?
Not double, but it was up quite a bit. It was up in the 5,000s. I don't remember if it hit 6.
I thought it was in the high 6s, almost 7. I thought I remember people talking about 7,000. Like, it's going to hit 7,000.
Yeah, look, the high was 56.
Oh, okay.
That was just people talking. Huh.
Yeah, B-Devil, me too. I was up on the night too until this last stupid trade.
I'm still up. I've already went green to red once. Then I went back to session highs. And now I'm on the decline. I feel like I'm going to end up going red again. Come on, just pull back. Pull back here a little bit and let me smack it and get my money long. Please and thank you.
Please and thank you.
Yeah, I can't forget to say thank you.
Yeah, every trade I've had tonight has just been a struggle. I'm just not seeing it right.
And we all have those nights.
These one directional moves just get me every time. Jeez.
You used to like the one directional moves.
I know. I don't know what happened.
I was just like, oh, I don't like that. So Jesse used to be like, oh, I love it when it just goes one way. I was like, I hate those effing days. He's like, no, you just buy the dip. Just keep buying. I was like, yeah, I know what happens at the end of it, though.
Or in this case, just sell every rip.
Hey, what's funny is I talked about shorting it. We came up to a 200 over here. Then we popped way past. I'm like, let me go long.
Yeah.
My gut instinct was right. I should have shorted it.
That would have been a nice short. Look at that move.
I don't know if I should get one more shot or not. I'm really debating on it. I fear, though, if you look on the 30-minute chart, we have a long ways we could still drop. We have the P point down here. We have value or low at 155. Yeah, I don't know.
The problem is it's just like slow and low volume, and I do not like these types of Asia sessions.
Prior day value, prior day VWAP. Hey, we are below the second deviation band, so I do like that. ES is only at the first deviation band, but I like that.
Yeah,
I likes it.
Did we take it out yet? Not yet. It's trying to get there.
We have a little bit further to go.
I guess technically it's not the prior day VWAP. It's today's VWAP. New York.
No, the session VWAP.
Prior session VWAP. Yeah. Yeah, it's close to it. It's probably trying to get there.
What's
what
that
does
price
it do
again?
from? I don't know.
190, I think. I think
195-ish, 194-ish.
Yeah, 195, 196, 194 somewhere.
Which also happens to be the third deviation band for tonight's VWAP.
Is it
Lands
there
right
now?
there?
Oh
Yeah.
boy. Right in that area.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We're getting a little bit of a bounce right here, though. Let's see.
Trade rate web had that 210. And Nikkei will be back from lunch here in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Good. Hopefully they start buying up the NQ so I can get out of this trade.
Well, hey, if you look, we're right here at the highs. I mean, you can always get out. Don't forget there is a close button.
Yeah. B Devil's only down $20. It's a lot better than the last three. Yeah, tell me about it.
I'm hoping we can keep going here. I'm up almost 200 on it.
I friggin' lost $8,000 last night.
I was like, what?
Yeah, that was a rough evening.
Yeah, I know. I've seen some of the aftermath.
I swear that video was. She started recording after I was already done with my main friggin' temper tantrum. You only got to see the calm me.
That was pretty funny, though. It was pretty funny. That was good stuff there. Unreal. It's up $200. I think.
Yeah, 8K, guys. Lost 8K. It was right around that number. I don't remember the exact number, but
I'm closing it before it turns into a loss. I should have got off for 200 instead. I got, I don't know, $50. I don't know. I want to buy it, but I still feel like we want to go lower. I'm kind of stuck. I don't want to make my loss worse either. You say biscuit?
yeah.
He was saying some things.
I was saying some things, yeah.
It was pretty funny. I don't care who you are. That's pretty funny. So.
Dang, that little pop was short-lived too. Jeez.
That's what I'm saying. They're not playing. to tell me I should just take my ball and come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I think I'm about break even from where I was when I came on the stream. I might be down $20 tonight from stream. I hit the open pretty good and ran it up to only about 700. Then actually I ran to like 5 something, ran it down negative, got back to 7 something. Now I'm at 355. I'm back to where I started. But I'm in like a sideways market tonight, up and down, up and down, up and down. So kind of sucks.
Yeah, kind of crappy price action tonight. But I mean, it's tradable, just not giant moves.
And just don't buy it. All you gotta do is sell it.
Yeah.
I find myself, I keep wanting to buy it. I might wait 10 more minutes and see what happens when the Nikkei opens back up from lunch. See if we get any excitement there. No, Leo, I try not to have it. So, hey, Leo, here's a funny story. I've told this story plenty of times, but some of you guys haven't been on here. So, day one, when I quit my job, my goal was I have to make a minimum $400 a day. And that was just to pay the bills. Day number one rolls around after I quit my job, good paying job. I'm up $370 right around lunchtime, a little after lunch. I have a doctor's appointment around 4 o'clock, so I have to leave a little bit early. So what I do, I get in a trade, add to it, add to it, add to it some more, and I walk away minus $900. All because I didn't stop. I said, no, I got to have $400. It's got to be 400 or more. Well, the funny story was, even with that bad day, and that wrecked me, I was a little bit upset. Like, I was like, oh crap, I might have made a big mistake. But I still hit the goal for the week, because the goal would have been about 2,000 a week. I think I ended up 2,500 and some change that week. But if you look at the difference, look, I think it's like 950-ish I lost. But so if you say I was up 360, we'll take the lower number, and let's use the lower number being down. Add that to $2,500, and I would have made 3,400 for the week versus 2,500. All I had to do was stop. But no, because I had this narrative in my head, I have to make this much per day. No, realistically, I just have to make that certain amount by the end of the month, not per day. The market wasn't giving it up. I tried to force it. It didn't work. I add. Oh crap, I'm in trouble. Close in, big loss. Day number one. So yeah.
At least you closed it for a decent loss. Last night I just let it all go. I got in that F it mode.
Yeah, but I had to have that money to trade with. I couldn't.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different. Like, that money blew up. I was going back. I was calling the boss man up, say, hey, I was just joking. I was just trying to see if you would give me a raise when I quit.
Can I get my job back?
But hey, when I did quit, like the last couple of days, called everybody in work, say, hey, Mike's gonna be leaving, yada yada yada. Gave everybody $4 an hour raise. They're worried about everyone leaving. And I said, hey, that's all I was asking for. I didn't really want to leave. Hey, you should have seen his face. His face shop, like, are you serious? But that was funny. Like, he's like, I just gave everybody a raise for nothing. I could have just gave you a raise. But come on, let's just go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh shoot, Punisher lost some accounts today.
That
sorry.
sucks.
I lost a funded account last night, man. I did some stupid stuff.
Hold on. I think Jesse's might have been worse though. It was that payout.
Yeah, I was eligible for payout and I blew up the whole account. I lost $8,000 and blew up the whole account. Unbelievable. Stupid.
I've been trading since 2005. I don't know how long you've been trading, Jesse.
Almost 5 years, and I still do stupid stuff like that.
I still do stupid things sometimes too. Hey, being on stream just keeps me from doing less stupid things.
Yeah.
It really does.
Hey, these guys might let me out of this trade. Look at this. Oh, you're in again?
Yeah. I gotta get it back. I gotta get it back. I'm telling you, I got a sickness.
Mecca, I was at a $3,500 payout on the Lucid account. I would have had $3,500 last night.
He's like, nah, I don't want that money. I do just fine. I don't need your money.
I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, why
He didn't want to take their money.
I shouldn't even have been trading that account at all. It was at payout.
Hey, if this joker hits my target, but this joker's good. I'm not out yet.
I'm out. Whoa, look at you. Woo! Let's go, baby. Look at that. Hey.
I think I'm right there at session highs or close to it. If I'm not at session high, I'm very, very, very close.
Yeah, let's go.
And that's not it. That's not all of it.
Hey, Leo, yeah, Mike didn't trade no prop firms back then. They didn't
No,
exist.
they didn't exist.
That was a cash account.
Yeah, I'll tell you the prop firm story, how I started it here in a minute. Hey, I got a ES on too. I got 2 of them on.
Oh, you did the Dutch rudder?
That's a whole different trade. It's different.
Oh, that's a Dutch rudder.
No, it's different.
That's a Dutch
Hey, we got
rudder.
9 count. Okay, I'm out.
Hey, that's a double Dutch rudder right there. You added 2.
No, I didn't add 2. I started with 2. And now watch, it's gonna rip up. It's gonna rip up now. Hey, so I started thinking, because I wasn't working, I was only trading in Top Step was around back in the day, but I didn't want to trade Top Step. And I said, you know what? I started thinking about it. I think I seen a YouTube video or something. I'm like, you know what? Why not just get a trade copier that I could just push the button one time like I do in my account and just make more money. And I ended up getting the Apex trade copier. It was the first trade copier I got. And I didn't have an Apex account yet. I didn't even go with Apex. Apex wasn't even a prop firm then. I ended up going with another company, which I wouldn't recommend. I was pretty upset once I passed the evaluation and stuff. But, yeah. I was like, I just pushed a button and get paid more to do the same thing. And then I didn't understand intraday trail and drawdown. I was like, what the heck is this? What is intraday drawdown? It doesn't even make sense to me. I mean, I'm used to trading my live account. I was like, intraday drawdown, how does this work?
Goes up. There's the POC for this range. All right, I'm out.
Oh, you just said you were out a minute ago.
No, that was a new trade.
Oh, it's a whole new trade. Dutch rudder? Was that the ES?
No. That was NQ. I got in another scalp.
Okay.
All right, I'm up 1,045 times 5 accounts.
Oh, he just has to beat me.
No.
I should have left those 2. I should have left those 2 yes on. Yeah, I don't see any news coming out either that's causing the market to go up right now.
I think it wants VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP was at 273.
Is oil dropping?
What was that? 81 cents? Not really moving a whole lot right now.
Huh.
You look at oil right here. It's not.
Something happened. That was a pretty big rip.
Yeah, oil's just hanging out near VWAP.
That had some decent delta too. A lot of positive delta through there. A lot of decent volume, that little rip. Relatively speaking.
Hey, Leo, Jesse has his own indicators. He makes his own stuff.
Yeah, I code some of my own stuff, but also I use that regression channel for sure, but I run it on the Renko bars, not on the minute-based bars.
You just started using volume profile too, didn't you?
Yeah,
Recently?
it took me, guys, it took me years to learn the volume profile stuff from Mike. Years.
Hit 3K before his sun comes up.
Hey, there's John still in the chat. Hey, John, Mike, you too. Do you guys remember when we'd be on conference calls late at night and you guys were trying to teach me about volume profile? I'm like, no, this is way over my head. F it.
All I need is my channels.
Yeah.
Hey, we got the HSI coming back here in about 3 minutes.
Oh, that's what the rip was all about. They're trying to get ahead of that. Okay.
Renko is lagging. Now, Renko could be way faster. You can speed up your Renkos. Just lower the brick size. You can make them way fast.
Wait a minute. Renko is laggy, slower than EMA? No. Moving averages are based on what's happened in the past.
Renko is showing you what's happening right now.
Yeah. Renko bars are real time. EMAs are laggy. You got that backwards, sir.
I
don't have any moving averages at all on any of my charts. I don't use them.
I didn't used to.
Just because they are laggy. Now, a valid reason for using them is because there's so many thousands of other traders that use them, right? That's why they're respected.
Well, you can use it to identify the trend and stuff too.
Yeah.
But just trying to trade a moving average cross doesn't work. I used to, so I coded, I used to use them for a long time, Hakanashi candles, but they were different. They showed, the candles I coded showed the true high open, low close, where a Hakanashi candle does not.
Yeah, the Hypothetical, I'm all about those if you don't need precise stops and you're not looking for exact highs and lows and swing points and all that kind of stuff, right? They really smooth out the price. And so if you're okay taking some heat on a trade and you're going for bigger moves, those are great. Same with the Renko. The Renko smooths out the price action too. That's why I use them. I use a pretty big bar. So Mike uses a 6-tick Renko bar. Mine's a 20-tick.
Well, is this another short joke?
Mike's is short, mine's long.
Yeah, I'm using a free Ninja Renko 1 string bean. Yeah, I've never used the paid version. I don't know. I'm sure there's other bells and whistles, but I don't need that for what I do. I just use a free version. Price for perfection. If anybody does want to check out the Ninja Renko, you can download it for free. Let me get Nightbot to post a link. I'll show you guys which one it is in case you guys ever want to replicate the charts.
And Mike's got videos on how to set all
I
that
don't
up.
think I have this set up. I think I deleted it on accident.
Oh, really?
I think so. I didn't mean to.
Okay, write that down. Make a mental note. You need a Ninja Renko video.
So right there, right there, the free one, free yellow little background. It's the link that Nightbot just posted. So I have no affiliations with them. I just use their product.
Jeez, here comes that friggin' VWAP. I'm telling you, I should have stayed in that. I got scared.
Pow, smack it.
Got scared.
Scared money don't make money.
Give me a little pullback so I can go long again. Jeez.
Why not just be happy where you're at for the night?
Yeah, that's an idea.
So,
I mean, $1,000 times 5 accounts, not bad.
White Boy, you can adjust the size of it. So I have it where the new bar starts in the middle of the other bar, but you can change it to where it starts at the high, the lower third. There's a lot of flexibility in how you change it by adjusting the trend threshold.
Oh, shoot. John points it out. 9 count over there on your 1 minute.
Oh, boy. I'm not getting in. I'm done.
Yeah.
I almost got the 1K. I wanted 1K, but I'm not going to force that.
There's the little pullback I was looking for.
All I need is the micros to go up there and hit target while I'm sleeping. Come in tomorrow on the New York stream, already up, ready to go. Let's go. So I'll be happy.
What's HSI done now that they're opened up? Did it start pumping yet or no?
What? What did you say? Oh, HSI. Hold on. No,
Back
it's a
from
Nikkei.
lunch.
It's a
Or
Nikkei.
Nikkei. Back from lunch. Is it moving?
Yeah, gap
Up,
down a little
down.
bit. Gap down a little bit. Let's go see what Joel did with the Renko. Let's go look at it.
What, did he release a Renko bar?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Boy, I guess it didn't quite want VWAP. Nice little pullback. Look at that pullback.
That's why I said I was done. Done.
Yeah, I'm done fighting it all night too, man.
Let's
It's
see.
Crazy. Yeah, John.
Hey, I
good
don't
nine-
see it. Hey, String Bean, I don't see it. Hey, String Bean, I don't see it. Let me try here. I don't see it on the website. Hey, look, we're trying to come back down here. I'm glad I'm. See, I'm
String Bean,
glad.
the settings on the Renko is easy. So on Mike's it's 6.3. On mine it's 2010.
Yeah, here, I'll show you in a second. I'll pull it over.
I actually have a 40/20.
Yeah, it's right
also
there.
on my
All I
list.
change is the brick size and trend threshold.
Ooh, we got a pretty nice A to B equals C to D forming
I'm not
here.
touching it. I'm good.
I might get in this short as soon as it breaks the B point, which is the low of the session. If it breaks that, I'm going short.
I'm good. Hey, String Bean, where'd you find that at on the website? I don't see it. Hey, you know what it's called? Maybe I can search it. Oh, on the chart trader.
Oh, it's on the essential chart trader.
Hey, so it's not actually a Renko bar itself.
Oh, it's buy and sell Renko button. Maybe it like smooths out the price action in the behind, in the background somehow or something. Interesting.
I'll have to check. I'll have to look. Hey, because I have the professional chart trader tools. Huh. Hey, Neo says you should thank me.
Oh yeah, for sure, dude. Thanks. And now I'm looking for a short. I like this A to B equals C to D pattern that's forming here.
I'm done and done.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get ready to jump off. Get some Z's. Smooths out price action and using Renko. Huh. I have to look into that, String Bean. Maybe I'll contact Joe and ask him what they're talking about.
I'm curious.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. And maybe the website has something about
I was on it. I didn't see it.
Maybe it's buried in the fine print of the essential chart.
It might be
panel page or something.
I can't read that while I'm on stream.
Yeah, no, I'll check it out later too.
Might as well go. You put it right in front of my face, I won't see it.
No news.
I don't see no news.
I guess that was just a friggin' fake out.
I don't know. I'm out, so I'm good.
That was one heck of a rip just to sell it right back off.
They just ripped up. Said, Mike, we're gonna give you one last shot. Let you get out. If you get in again, bam, we're not gonna let you get it back. So I'm done. I'm done. You're
at session highs, right?
I'm at session highs.
Yeah, same here. I think that's a good place to call it.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys will come join me tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8 a.m. I will be streaming. So hopefully you guys will come out there and hang out with me during the New York session. And don't forget to use code Mike at your favorite prop firm. With that being said, look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care.